Nipa ba ko pe e ne pamade hye wo a obi ahia wo a wosan hwe obi mu onnoa ne bafo polo no wo suan kasa e no de nimdie no so ye adwuma enti so style eto ho a eda ho a na ehome bafo polo no or the Africa print textiles and the pam na dia bia into pam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, v-neck shirts, any p or pam to for betu kogu on stores, any boutiques enti sa wo so nye adwuma betu bi cotton na on tisomount churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any bia mu hia dodo no e de ma members no any mu students no mu mra mu nso mo pe Friday wear e de ma mu workers bafo polo e twem our gold package, a silver package and a bronze or yet delivery echo mama fana bia bafo polo ntade no so ye sheko bia na wo pa mama any mama nyina bafo polo e wo kumase ahinema kokobe santase no boase kwan so telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and so you at bafo polo me say so we say bafo polo dia oh and you now we say
Ebusuafo mamunyina nti makwaba eba Sompa 93.1 FM ebusuafo na so se no pai yetase de kuda won sam de ko chukwo bamai de bufumpa no fe dada no won krofo kroso yemamu ha yebobo no nyina no de bro no pai yaturi din Sompa full time sports live in the Cotton Supermarket 93.1 FM efisa break community no to mapani entra if it's another payga toss in the stomach would do a pay, and your team pro come apart, and yes, some good talk and some one thing, you will for Champions League, and then the run of year 16, as just here, now, and yes, some good talk, trust some power 93.1 FM, you make people updated on the latest 10 out of events, now for the person, that's my question at the Amamo, and not pay, I'm a be person to my other transfer stories I want to also ha just say you never gum bebe that's what tama me patron no pay Sompa TV rescue di koda no or rescue di koda na o sabeka Sompa na fa go to enjoy as well TV so na no pay memo fesika papa no pay me pacho memo disika enya sekito kra UEFA Champions League no get the us empa eno ye via Betway na me pacho ne Ghana for me be wo bia obi disika get the code no enso baba to bontain na fe we turn straight away na be bia so to ba council Philip Nkunsa abrantie ba ye stadium monfosi disika no enya sekito kra tina ampaye John Ebita Sompa full-time sports ana wasugu so wuteno uko Facebook no so Sompa 93.1 FM ewo Facebook no so na wo follow na wo share na wo to message ne paro no pay ye ba kan kaso tama wo yetuma tene so ana fam pato wantaroma uram ewo aye YouTube no so aye Sompa TV wo YouTube no so na fa wo promotai eso to subscribe na to message na pa ana no pay ba kan kai eso tama wo yetuma tene so ama bi piaso etuma konkai wantaroma mitei ana Rachel Chris Adams Takogwa Mackenzie call me intelligence Jeffrey Astari Apostle Atrasti no pay Mobatene Kawa Tomato so ana fa yenua ni tei ana Prince Boateng Guantino as what trust ana pay Mobatene Ka ana fa Philip Nkunsa Kobra Celebro as what trust ata sambeto munyinanka e wo tomato so 50 Mario and the first time ne de pay wo bedu twam Kumasi Asante Korokwaso ya ana fa other stories making headlines Yaba Robot the Caro Football Association the Sports Ministry ana afa Blasters Association fa yaba all the antes no na be person net to ko kentero no pay Jumentini Philip Park Mr. Work ana fa abrontani thing and Blanson what was here Eke Orlando and then Roberto Firmino the finisher Roland Anthony Boateng wamuna e producer to Montero now call MC Ahona Ronford Elha and then for Yinya Pacoso artist and wolf for Payina Papa one wolf for Panya Sekitwa one run for a move Benchma artist and yes to talk to Antonio Manolo pay yeah ready pa then a stamina as Empa and you giddy. Now me can say Telisol me patron wadoro ma Telisol say se wunya no 4G mine fine pi na me patron de call fie ho wo de call office wo bia wutu kwan e be me patron adwuma na wo ye no e wo remote area what you say wunya quality internet anta say wo betuma connect to magajasa e use internet nyina na fetima boaw ama udwuma tene so to wie pa na fetima dimo e ti Telisol stop me patron pa 4G my fine pi na fe fakwe wadwuma no na me patron pasa wo internet ni dza so na wo browse na fe wo streaming na me patron de tene so ku internet ne so na etimi power dia wo tene Telisol me patron 4G my fine pa beto dia na wo tu dia na me patron betuma connect get my laptops wo phones ta wo to na fe bibia so to ba so tamo me patron 500 Ghana cedi per wo to ani amount 10 gigabyte of your data na fe wo dia show how far and your Telisol we heavy wo betuma pa Telisol still connecting energies enti na no person wo tianka na person wo connect to energies na wo tene Telisol enya some to keto critical kojo dia na fe bibia so etumi koye and from patron time have promised no taso na bino no na bibo na time have promised no malaria pa in 3D and a hawa unya time have promised na me patron so popia malaria mo wono e betani fudi patron wa poso yo ya a wunti ni die time have promised aba solve problems ni na so dey free ho na fa me pia so to ba so to ba no pay enti no pay me patcho promoting na fa kodo time help promised no na what attention yeso ba pa pipia so be to so to ba ona fa time help no wunya binu numa me catch say wataroma me patcho nkomo na wo tene ba pa ama ya debia du kudi patcho no ya dene dwane eso te fini patcho mo na wan kasa wo attention so ba enti ema no wo me patcho ase wo say Promotestant go back to my run of fay. What time have promised no when the piano no papa no fay. I found toasted a sopa. Let me play queen. That's what tomorrow just some katoka. Me patron panudo to 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 Homa. Over to my first time have promised on a fair time have promised no. Me patron member be a tone no piano. When stomach can wait enough. Was some what me out to become. I'm a be pierced with my question tomorrow. On a pass Mr. Watermaker, Namika was a gentleman dental clinic, so and that's the good juma. Wabo power came on one thing, gentleman dental clinic heavy. Wabo put you up a super, Juma Mopanon, and one thing to not pay, where Uber Robo gentleman dental clinic with Patrol was in it to national person repressing, open a permanent and also temporal. Ebe went to Maso Tamo, and after what done on Patramamin for two of the Mosa, wa a crab one yinka, who pestable for Rupa, the patron was sitting on my emre. What then, as for the gentleman Tantal Kanakuraha, not for what must yes your come. Now what that says to the papa, or one is not pursued in court and not over. What then the gentleman Tantal Kanaka Patramacha, and what proposed in the Tana UMP Bank Romano, one more this rope, one more the total police station, or woman wanted the station. The team Shadimu, and often Patrol would draw a car. Ye walk to make up and atomic down. No Guasi 5 Johnson, would drop power. Ye Banco Bancano, a Pantasit Tadisco Tower Takrade, ye was Sunane, Estine Ewa, a yet Tetchiman, it Watanoma Gentleman Tantal Clinic in Portuma, and no money come 05 5913 95 82 05 5913 95 82 Yauma, me Patrol bit me, and then Gentleman Tantal Clinic. For that's what to do. Come on, now what I said, that's what Pacama. I'm a person that will be a person to Montomanoma or Montretti. Yeah, Papa come on enough. Yet to my Yaman on your tomorrow. That's what to come and tell me catch on a person. Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited. Pamotes to be to Raha, a pun intense at the Porta Sotia. What an Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited. The Patroko, no more says your come. Woman chest, no more the Powatano Somawa, a Shoninka, a big man tamo, and often Patron. Mamma Fanto them said Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited for and no more chance and you naturally and pack after board the eternity and Tinano Pastor what to make car. Papa said Joy Cam, Westwood and you want to learn to know no more Pantanos who come at Tamo. Now, some just wait to my prefer what I said of a Joy Cam at Tamakwa, a yes from Kuo Montans on us, so more power Tanasumawa, and so to and Wakasa Huron, and to Joy Cam for the Wajimawate, and yes, some get talk about Techiman, and off a class, Sunyane, Bogatanga Tamale, Ubong the Chakwa, Ubong the Chakwa, the Patrokuma said he was Sokoban and Pame, Yane police station at Tishanimu, and to Robo Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited, not for a moment Tanasuma, not for Tansanasumpa, and no money come out, they are 05 51 009000 05 51 00 9000 Yahoma. The better my friend Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited of a one in perform that's what to come off a what that dance yes one Pacama. I'm a person that to my question tomorrow. Be patron my main friend to the Mr. Yeah, Baba, yeah, I'm on an instant. Yeah, Baba, yeah, tomorrow, so tomorrow, paying us some good talk to you, but Betway. Now, Betway for the Petuma power, and that's the good to understand now. Boys, the little physical, boys, the little physical, and to get me patron tell to Betway up for us. So again, www.betway.com.gh, and that's how come you post a while. No one tell to Betway, no, now for you patron to bet, no, Betway and Quam, and the betting up, or more automatic cash out. But patron, yeah, game after game, what a piano, what you say, a tito power, prediction, tito pavosa, cash, one will now withdraw, now baby go account to no come out, and to Betway more automatic cash out, and that's a one casam, no person will come off a, or withdraw the bell, betano, aqua could draw, the patron, Aquina, that's what down to Betway, and Emma more, when you're 18 years, a man call, Mr. Naya, the Betway, us, no so the ball, then that's the best, no, we best young physical, and yes, some talk and team patron penaso, yeah, Conofay, get them on instant up on a Betway, after your chair, Makun call to send you to Kudia, that's a Kudano, that's where to Matawakama, I'm a patron, Baba Yetumano, another person, Tama, yet to Matanaso, and more Rofi. So I have Sompa full-time sports, and I was so good with Teno, a Tano thing. Okay, you're going to pay, get them on an instant, not pay, live in a cotton supermarket town, 93.1 FM. Me patron ko Facebook kodeso, oko Facebook kodeso, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now we share, now we do message to the Sompa TV. Also YouTube also, now we promoting, also to my subscriber, now we do message to the Parola Pay. You may want to my person, let my question tamo, and then the pen some Parano thing, Rescanuti Quatano, or Rescanuti Quatana. What don't man patron me cut us some open joy Sompa and so decode and also not for also Tatasia Pakaba Panas and Ketoka. Now me patona UEFA Champions League match day. Yeah, Baba Romana Fay, yeah, the Dutas Nation at Tababa Pay. I'm a person at Tobacco way to Materaso. Now me patron me calling for Pubo Kodasoya, me cockle to Makaka, and so live for Pubo Kodamo. Mama me Abrante for the woman to Mamu to Macapsal and Gully. Tono for the most Allah was a kind that the Bali for Pubo Kono. Me patron so far, according to BBC for or more practice of one Stella, or more the best a year player ever Sasiswa. Me patron players Marco me patron Emum, and a Tasabudu Bujosa. Sase Paway and the best a year player was Sasiso. It was a more for to be Bobatay, not for me to be Trumpa. Now me patron Botu the Mokotriano, and according to BBC for Patasa, Nipa, Wamutu Swamanas, Nipomo, about Trumpano, they will 83%. I say a Bronte Film Wamastella, and the best player as I say so currently. One of the best player in Tomato Pano, and so Tomato Bronte Film Mohamed Mahmoud, Macref Salakali, with Patrono, and the Gato TV National, a Bronte Film killing in Purple Hotel, and 9% after a Bronte Film finished to Junior. And 4%. La Mega Mal, as what to 2%. And of other players, as what to 2%. Nancy Patricia say, a Bronte for the woman seller, Okra overwhelming victory. I'm a Patricia Balontono, say a player, your 2% Balontono this year. A corner, they are Bronte for the woman, Mahmoud, Macaf Salakali, $2 for the Mostala, and 20 babies to 4 year journal. So the current best player was Sassiso, I am Bronte for the woman seller. I'm a Patricia Kane, that's what to for Pubo Kono, and Tanon, none of me Patadasco National, now me Pato ready to the one Mastala, also Medica de Turbosa, live for Pubo Konomania Bre, some a Bronte for the one Mastala, one more any a Bronte the team Comasada Beer, or the Penabasi Catas Nofe, what to me study the contract, and so Tamali for Pubo Kono, none of Pato couldn't to report on a Penasaka, I Pata said to live for Pubo Kono, but no Magi Tumanatuno, a common stem already to the Mostala, and Panian Power Jatum, and the Penassi Cataso, not for what to study the contract, and so Tamali for Pubo Kono, and I appointed him a 2-year contract, and so Tamali for Pubo Kono, Maketuna appointed him and between 400,000 and 450,000 pounds every Friday, including bonuses. And on Layasika, Liverpool better for women appointed for the woman seller, and then come to the agreement to make to my yetuma, not for final details. No, woman to my I'm already telling most a lot, and the Penassi Catas Nofe, what to me study the contract, and so Tamali for Pubo Kono currently, what 350,000 pounds every Friday in Tanya report. I don't pay feeling for Pubo Kono, the from Australia, and so the bar, yeah, what to must want to make so, me Patromome, a Bronte for the Dominic Strumosline. A player was that kind to Mali for Pubo Kono, was and already telling Nema to Silver Santo Junior, Monkey the Crusader Martino, Tono for the Nema, me Patronema free all Hello Bobo Konoma, while returning to the country, was that kind that the Master to Bobo Kono, and Yansam Katokra, and to be patrol all Hello for the Patasa Womono, Womoto players from quantity, players of more quality, and to the Nema Qua, I was able to be Espredis Cano, not for Master for quality players are board players are, one I'm Patrobu, or pick. None Patrobu live for Pubo Kono, almost them about Pabranto for the Dominic Strumosline, was that kind to Mali for Pubo Kono, or ready to pay 120 million euros, which is 100 million pounds. And so Tamali for Pubo Kono, now for Bronte for the Dominic Strumosline, Abba Sakai, and so Tama Al Hilal Bobo Kono Tarika, the Patrono, and not pay if we Al Hilal Bobo Kono, and so the Paconstania Brontia, you for the Dominic Most like I'm a Patrosta kind, that's what Tamali for Pubo could do Kaka, and not pay a feeling for Pubo could from Australia, as to the Bowser, live for Pubo Kono, woman of Paris and Tomo Kono, and a little body with UEFA Champions League, Mesem, and Yasam Kitokra, and no bad thing, now according to report, and not pay, Mr. Patterson, a Bronte, and Ibrahim Konate, I'm a Patrosta kind, and so Tamali for Pubo Kono, Nabusha Fono, Nabo Patterson Massa, and Mr. Bronte for Ibrahim Konate no okodire cho pompe no na ntwese on o makwan ama pia to boboko no omuntumi fa bo entrote no na ekobere se nyame atunda se UEFA Champions League no game ni tota between Liverpool ama for pia to boboko no ama me pato Liverpool boboko no kofimu ewa UEFA Champions League no me pato de tenesa abrante ya fedi Ibrahim Konate ni nwa baba wase master wo mu nyamu fi Paris ni tetu no enti kobere se Liverpool boboko no fima ono abrante fedi Ibrahim Konate kwano o de support e de mama PSG boboko no na fe pia boboko no obako kwaje UEFA Champions League no ama be pia so tobako enso tomo pia boboko no entomu nyina obo patasa na me atomo mpa ebobompo ene sem pia boboko no betumayi Liverpool boboko no do mafu na fe pia boboko no so let me progress akọ another stage of the competition na fe be pia so tobako enso tomo pia boboko no do so munya no wo se aka de Liverpool boboko no de na so nya de so mo do support enso na de Liverpool boboko no eno ya for the Ibrahim Konate ni nyanuma no peso Paris instema o mama monteno no peso de batuja na game toja between PSG boboko no ana Liverpool boboko no report me picking enso de free PSG boboko no wo maso report say abrante for the desire do e be start game no ahead of abrante for the Victor Kvaratskhelia am patronasiam na boboko for abrante no every PSG every aye Napoli boboko na so ye na de pesa abrante de besta kai enso enfama aye pia boboko no desire do it and I'm pretty for patasa we must we prepare for the game already to the Victor Kvaratskhelia ever starting game na so the free bench na for nyama so tobako adim abali for boboko no to kakra and no pay feeling for boboko no e for must ya na so the ba concerning game and no to between a yellow for boboko no for pia boboko no na pato report no pay me pick patasa already day and no we Enrique Martinez Casteluto on your manager and so the pia boboko no abrami patrobromu na wo pia boboko na so ye where players are already tell we Enrique na nyapre Sami pato betuma paredo mo etiali fa boboko no otine pasa sa players we there wo betuma boa ama ni maso tuma ko so tuma pia boboko no na fo betuma yili fa boboko no enso tuma fumo na fe ni maso betuma ko tuma pares tuma boboko no na already tine chalu kike to na Roma ebeto podimo enso tuma ye pia boboko no already tine Hakimi Akrafua ebe starting game no already tine Marcos Marquinhos Correa enso starting game no afa William Porto started already Nuno Mendes eso starting game no afa Vitinha ana fa Brante Feno João Neves eso starting game no Fabio Ruiz de Pina started already didn't desire do it already did Ousmane Dembele also Kudo Dembus Torino for Ousmane Dembele ana fa Bradley Barcola way an ideal planner already till we Enrique Martinez Casteluto manager and my Pia Boboko no plan against Liverpool Boboko no UEFA Champions League ni mtaneka ka me patrono pe free Pia Boboko no maso ye na so de ba ye want maso tama bo ye tama tere so ye da so tin kuna so ye tama no eno no peso tama bo ye tama tere so ye toro taratoro enya sem teto kwansam na no tan ye ba be rom no ye gema eno to bitur ye ma to boboko no ana fai wataruma Atletico ma to boboko na eno no pato de run of 16 no eno so e sa se tenten e wa UEFA Champions League no na enya sem teto kwa ano be tenten e be ba to just apprentice way na want to mentor that's why Pantera Catro already day and the Carlo Michel Angelo Ancelotti Caleto to for the Carlo Ancelotti manager and the Bargama to Boboko no matter the messy piano or no apprentice for the Fedi Fanfati Master where register what to them come to not for automatic risk to Masakai and the Bargama to Boboko against Atletico to Boboko to them apprentice and you totally fit yes so apprentice the Thompson compare so Benjamin Fay on the sweat to Masakai and so to Bargama to Boboko when we start planting for the Fedi Fanfati na me atoda so promoting no to be starting game no and the Bargama to Boboko na me patron the Tenesta Sensor or making a debut and the Bargama to Boboko no afena Pantano and reach 300 games for Gilman to Boboko no a big game number 300 and a team number planting for the Fedi Fanfati about patron making a debut and so the Bargama to Boboko no La Liga waje 3 one team a Spanish Copa del Rey waje bako and afemi patron Supercopa de España me patron miensa and afemi patron Supercopa de Europe no abranto no that's what my promoter asset to miensa and that's what you know and a Tamar Gilman to Momokono. Now, Ponte for the Fanny Fanfani, when he was someone put 29 goals after semi person, Yakwe, and so to my Ponte for the Fanny Fanfani, what make it 28 assists, and so Tamar Gilman to Momoko in the game, so Ponte the street to be Chamnafe, or to Mr. Kain Tamar Gilman to Momokona, and being game number 300, and the team, Yama Ponte the team, and the Fanny Fanfani, in all competition, and you must wait to my question to my Ponte, the Fanny Fanfani, 28 Kaka, and on a pedestal bar. Yeah, went to my sword to my Mustafa live in the Cote Supermarket 93.1 FM. Now, me patrol my friend to the Massa, Real Mantra Squadra, already Tenecalo and Slotty, the patrol paper nothing, but yes, I against Atletico to Momokono, and on the get to TV national, Sompa TV nothing, one promoted to my rest, Cano di Quadano, now went to enjoy, already Tempo Nicola Macotua, Toronto for the Timo Cotua, and Taponimo, that the Margelman to Momokono, already take, and then Federico Santiago Fanfani di Peter, El Hakon Bombazo, Toronto for the Fanny Fanfani starting camera, already take Raul Asensio started, I was center back, Antonio Rutica, as one promoted to Mastate, already take the Fallen Menti, and jump on Kuma First was started, Okon Fifia Fama. Aurelian to many Tani, as Tattoo of Fifua, already did a total command finger campaign of Pinda Sami, total for the total command finger, as one promoted to Mastate, already came as on it, Brian Diaz, Abdul Kadal, as Tati Camino, Rodrigo de Ghost, already Kilian in Purple Hotel, and of Joseph Pastayo, Oliveira Felicio Jr., total for the Felicio Jr., as was Tati Camino, and the Margelman to Momokono, and I will pass it to Makoe. And the Margaman to Momo couldn't play. I ideally with patrol players are already technical slot to be so against Atletico to Momokono, and yes, the talk from me patron came out to channel. I know I'm Papa. Now, Numan Patrocubus already came, and the Calo Michel Angelo, and Stalote Caleto, turning off for the Calo Slotty, the patron manager, and the Margaman to Momokono, your bush already technical slot to say, and Commander say Martin in Raw, that's our Bronte for the Fanny Fanfani, and your filter, the patron number 2. The mention of the Wettima Potima, and some Yatamar Gelman to Momokono, and already tea, and the Calos noticed that a young Bronte for Lucas Vasquez, when the mention number 2, a commander still fitting from Fanny Wood Sweat Montana, Yent already to the Calos not to manager, and the Margelman to Momokono Kaka.
A Lucas Vázquez. Derecho, ¿a quién pondría de lateral derecho? ¿A Asensio o a Lucas Vázquez?
A Lucas Vázquez.
Yes, and when you send for a simple crowd, already to the Calos not to start to us, and your bush already to the Calos not to start, and let it come out to a former manager, already to the Tego Pablo Simeone, El Cholo Gonzalez, to the for the Tego Simeone, the Patoma Panantino, better with the Cano, and I say a Tebaqua, no better with the Cano, already tea, and in Tego Simeone, the Patron year 2000, no, say a kind of last year, Momokono, that time, no, already to the Calos Naughty, no, your manager, the Matu for Momokono, not last year, Momokono, or more Peligro, and Penny and Paul ready to the Tego Simeone to be Jamu, and Bertuma to be Bronco, and my last year, Momokono, and my last year, Momokono, that's what to be the Italians we are catching, must say as a coach, Master or Respecto ready to the Tego Simeone Papa, and yes, I'm to talk to Rano, and to my Papa, and so to my let it come out to Momokono, and then to my Katua, or shit him one beauty, but Bia, Lavua, what him, and let it come out to Momokono, and yes, I'm to talk to no coach Bia. And the better by Yatuma already came and then Tego Pablo Simeone El Cholo Gonzalez. When some let my Yatuma let it come out to Momokono and to so much respect and so to already came and then Tego Simeone. Now me patron Nami Atuma and then you make him a total was a better by you Pia game. What has the Nasa Katoko Pia better winning? Number more Pompaya, Nestroted in a fay, and Nemo Diego coming on the better by work to professional fay, real man to Momokono, woman to for coming come. I'm a be person that question to Margelman to Momokono, and to where Sama already Tenecalo, Michel Angelo, and Stalote Caleto, turning off for the Calos not to manager, not the Margelman to Momokono, Guama Montano, the person of Matuta, and to the Yento already Tenecalo and Stalote Kaka. Now, Fabi Pato, and some of the Tuta concern the Kemno, Yente Kaka.
Pondría de lateral derecho a Asensio o a Lucas Vázquez.
A Lucas Vázquez.
Derecho, ¿a quién pondría de lateral derecho? A Asensio.
Okay, to way, am someone patrol ready thing and I cannot as lot manager at about German to Bobo Conestum and also the tutor the young quato ready thing and so the Tego Pablo Simeone Aucholo Gonzalez manager about let you come to Bobo Cono and also about the tutor concerning the game. I'm a patrol tutor more fun let you come to for trading no phantom there TV national fay about the first winner being chair and not for what I sent away and let you come to Bobo Cono woman ya pay already didn't take us to minister woman or must say understand na me atuma me patro UEFA Champions League new format and was sent to made the decision me patro let you come to for etuma qualify na fay woman run to the grand finale of the competition of match and was said this time around party master woman to UEFA Champions League no am be press to kwe and so to let you come to Bobo Cono team pipe and of our bobo no say na me atuma patro game against Real Madrid Bobo Cono na ni be to kwe and so to let you come to Bobo Cono ataruma yan kono fe ko to rodi tene Tego Pablo Simeone Aucholo Gonzalez manager aduma let you come to Bobo Cono.
Nuestras fuerzas las conocemos, las potenciamos, las buscamos generar y evidentemente mañana buscaremos llevar el partido donde creemos que le podemos hacer daño.
Hola Cholo, Sergio Picos de As, por aquí. El otro día hablabas de que
Tiene margen seguramente de mejora, ojalá nosotros como cuerpo técnico y sus compañeros lo puedan ayudar a seguir creciendo porque bueno, se lo ve pleno, se lo ve con energía, se lo ve con ganas de...
Yes, and today I already did Tego Pablo Simeone Aucholo Gonzalez manager and so to let you come to Bobo Conestum Waba Montaigne and on a person about to no already did a canoe slot to say and then you make him a total you mean 2 players no one in every France woman a game no a bit of Sompa now some 2 players no will be a deadly will be a dangerous and in terms of your person assist and it goes so there one more 2 players no one more big players so which we decided was saying Eja Bronte for Antoine Griezmann be kon Griezmann Todo for Antoine Griezmann say so player we dangerous papa okra ball now in big games we share experience Bronte then the World Cups mo and of big competitions Bronte what pa okra experience papa and okra the temperament to change any game me patrol bomb big anybody club no I am a patrol ready to the Antoine Griezmann be kon Griezmann Todo for Antoine Griezmann was that kind and so the let you come out to Bobo Cono and also super fantastic Kylian Mbappe no to so bomb say Kylian Mbappe no rules that game was so pardia and anyway Bronte never come bibia ko ye and so tama Real Madrid Bobo Cono no I am some already technical us not to some that to now me patro Real Madrid supporters no about partners in the me to me na numere Spain time later by 7:30 no mo nyina lante ewo El Estadio Santiago Bernabeu to Madrid España etiro no ba ye ka wetiro no mbe wa Cameroon Real Madrid team no enya se to keto ba fa flag bla ana fa bi patron go fire flag no fabra no mo fan ko jira etiro be bia Real Madrid Bobo Cono pano wo mo de mponko be di ka nanim na fa ka na ba be ru stadium na fa players no go metimeti ntom na mo si etiro e be kumo ane wa wuni mo sie no no wa sie fam what I say e wusia chese nyame atuma na numre wo me produce e wo behind a Estadio Santiago Bernabeu no ano be Real Madrid supporters no at the official announcement na be to say wo mo di ka be ka wa etiro etuma twenti no stadium bia wo mo betuma matim no mora na bi piaso to bakwe enso to baru gema to Bobo Cono yes picture no and dia to TV national Sompa TV what as a surprise share and the TV national so get to way aye behind aye El Estadio Santiago Bernabeu and you are gema to support us no be say be me patrometi pro players no na for mo robo dressing why na bam dikadika na fe o mo to botuma enso to baru gema to Bobo Cono enti eno yer gema to Bobo Cono wadaro man patro de from so yam enso de and I'm paying what to my soul to my so a year toro taratoro live for Sompa 93.1 FM and I'm Pato Wasugusa with Facebook reso Sompa 93.1 now for you open that's what my follow no share now to message papa and I'm for Sompa TV so YouTube reso no promoting that's what my subscribe no for what to message papa no pay you may want to my person let me go with to so and yes and to talk with someone to pay and so the pro no pay now me Pato star match we ya eto dai e di assemble ball what as here sa match we ya eto tano e di assemble ba amanfo ni abre amanfo kansam eso tafa na me pacho ko Atletico Madrid bobo ko so ya wo mo protest wo players bi wo mo ta bom e Madrid derby na ya na nyema ko ye pass the ball especially Abrante the thing eso na Antoine Griezmann wo protest already tena Antoine Griezmann ko recorder e kro no e tell Gilman to bobo ko no enye record keto mania wo mo so already tena Antoine Griezmann wo winning 10 games eso the tell Gilman to bobo ko no am pattern Abrante in terms of wins wenya among the Atletico Madrid players this say ono any player okra most wins against Real Madrid bobo ko 10 games. Anyway, to my winning, and so you tell Gilman to Bobo 12 draws, and when you will lose 9, and I'm a pattern, or the tell Gilman to Bobo Kono, now Brante for your 7 cabinets, and so at my winning 7 matches, and after 1 draw 7, and we also 4 against Gilman to Bobo Kono, and after Samuelino Jr., and so 2 wins, 3 draws, not for 1 loss against Real Madrid to Bobo Kono, patches among Atletico Madrid players, no matter, some players with the motor will lack a power, and so the tell Gilman to Bobo Kono, Nanka Brante. The day after the whole hey resurrection Maroto Koke, Tono Fede Koke, some match will go Jimbo Boya and Kabir 43rd Madrid Derby. I'm a patron ready to the Koke, captain the man let you come on to Bobo Konya. I commit to you call ready to the Central Ramos Garcia Commander to Kui, former captain Mario Gilman to Bobo Kono, on also the patron number of derbies a winner against Atletico Man to Bobo Kono. Now Supreme, now Kokoti already to the Kokenya, and Tinamia to the Name came a total and Brante for the court commitment from nothing what Mr. Kai and so they tell you about to Bobokono why I am banish and so the already pay and so the court can take a crap no Sompa now me patrol and let you come out with players now one more promise already take us to minister and found the best of Peter so one more call crowd more the Bowo one more play and then I must win and so the man let you come out to Bobokono one more to the passer second leg and could here and I'll let you come out to players now one more to be Atletico Madrid to qualify no matter run into the next stage of the competition and UEFA Champions League no or money were UEFA Champions League no Sompa and yes the Petro come patro mame Abrante for the USA Pastayo Oliveira Vinicius Jr. Tono for Vinicius Jr. Vinicius Jr. you play Sakai and about Gilman to Bobo Kono and was so on the contract extension in the crowd. About any issue on 21 Tassia was on Gilman to Bobo Kono contract till 2027. And to play was Real Man to Bobo Kono, the best standing the contract, the rest of them on the dosa or more Casa or more take things step after step. What I say, Sao Preno and was whatever Gilman to pay for the money no trust already team and the Tono Ferrentino Perez Rodriguez no fay will be a year and so the Gilman to Bobo Kono 2 years already 3 Vinicius to was Sakai and the Gilman to Bobo Kono one about time another person about to yeah what to so Tomo here to so when you must me patron me yeah after stories and the way me put it on here to so Oko Manchester United Bobo Kono so yeah Bobo Cast 2005 and a Glazer family and this is Kappa Sikabu Pudwo about £400 million and more. And about Manchester United Bobo Kono. When he was so Manchester United Bobo Kono, and then there's somebody Sika, and then Manchester United Bobo Kono, and Parobo Kobo Bosnia, and then the Manchester United Bobo Kono, me patron Chedie, and of Manchester United 4 car, Womontino, me patron Sika, Womodia Service, Manchester United Bobo Kono, a year £1 billion. Yeah, because Manchester United Bobo Kono sa de ka 1.5 billion pounds. And the Glazer family no, sikana omode be Manchester United Bobo Kono no, master omode toy no, ayeka enta Manchester United Bobo Kono so a, wo most of us we say already to the state Ratcliffe plan say, wo office na e one London no, sa 10-year lease na yɛde mo office no paseko wo twemu kra na afei wo mo ntwesika kra bio e wo office no komu oyi wo office no ade fi London nka Manchester kronimo ana ne patron office no mo pretty enso de fi na fa bi pia so tuma koe enso tuma Manchester United mo kore to ne kakra eno no perfume Manchester United mo kore maso ye enso de pa wo ni Liverpool mo kono wo must start a brand for the last of the Ishak wo mo wɔn ne reps ɛti nkɔmɔsɛ na bia play control agreement bɛtuma yɛ adwuma na afei na mi ato na sɛsi ne so a Liverpool bɔbɔ kɔ ne Newcastle United bɔbɔ kɔ no wɔn bɛtuma wie mipatɔ £150 million ɛna Newcastle United bɔbɔ kɔ no wɔn ntoma for the signature of abrante de ten ɛna Alassane Isaac ntade report ɛna na pɛmɛsɛ kan ne wɔn tuma ɛnso tuma busuafo bɛɛmu nkyɛnpɛnifo ti ne paasɛ wɔn bɛtuma sani abrante for the Ferrari Tevez under €140 million enti wɔn nya pepa ati sɔ wɔn ne abrante de ten kɔmɔsɛ de bia abrante de bɛtuma ka yes ɛde ɛkyɛ bɛɛmu ntoma bɔbɔ kɔ no fɛ wɔde pɛrɛsɛ krata so tuma sign ne wɔn tuma bɛsɛ kan ɛde bɛɛmu ntoma bɔbɔ kɔ no bɛɛmu nkyɛnpɛnifo sɛ abrante for the Kingsley Coman between 35 and €45 million wɔn de ato abrante de te so wɔpa brabɛsɛ ne abrante for the Kingsley Coman na nyame atom na sɛ stage wɔ so a wɔn tɔn no sɛliwa abrante de nkɔ afei abrante for the Castello Lukiba ɛyɛ play ɔsɛ kan ɛde bɛ live bɔbɔ kɔ ready to the mass April Patas we player we monitor the papa and yes them to talk na the release cross no nyame atom na semi pato says we so €80 million me pato payment in pay for betu the sase kana call am a pronto for the Castello Lukiba and so to pam the baba sia kai e de payment to bobo ko na retire some pay for me buy some money what to so ni mo renew mo contract ma me payment in pay for so gbede a lot mo mo masa kono ekosi akama crown for you renew contract no and so for on report no Mr. Cantino send you pro Sakai, Edema Bono, Bobo Kono, Bamutin Perifor Patas impressive, Akra Womina, one best time my pantheon, Lebe Sakai, Edema Bamutin Bobo Kono, Abrante for the Benjamin Sesco, you play with Sakai, Edema RB Lives, Kobo Patas, says the Master to Namia Tumnes, says Weso, now Abrante for the Benjamin Sesco, the termination clause, €80 million, and Timametra, now Abrante for the Benjamin Sesco, MSA Council, and Famo, me Pacho Wadoma, Leroy Sani, when you stop Bamutin Perifor. Catch the someone reading the contract in Famano, almost I couldn't come and say, as a possibility, sir, when they put the basic cartas with the renew, and they were Bramon to Bobo Codes so after you patro already to the Joshua what I can begin and say, Bramon to put the first time already to the Joshua can be contrasting to come out, almost same Abrante reading the contract, I say, on taking the decision to still a Monte, and here if I Abrante for the Joshua what I can be going, that's what they Marco Ross of RP Leipzig, Yamia Duma, this weekend, when Tomas said he came against a five Bobo Koda and Periforma Pamano after the Chubete free the Sebeto Bassa, Joaquin Club, a temporary manager at the RP Lives, the Bobo Koda report. I don't pay, Mr. Kam, they want to and so to so you Toro Taratoro and Yastam Ketokla and Seminole and Tosba Pabaja for your set. Or may read the year Pabatin Koma. Cloud internet Sompa and internet installation master money perfect e kumasi ani ganha enti uram e tech what I say and I say masima na me patron dana ene kuma woman robank di e twede mo ya masima no na say masima ho na fe me patron wetuma ru ho kama na fe no mo enso akokodi dwa e bana IPVT installation master djuma mo para no ten CCTV camera installation mo ya wadjuma open e hotspot deployment and fe open Wi-Fi e wo djuma mo dia fa ni nyina kodan cloud internet no mo heavy wo bo djuma e ja sem keto kra mo sta do djuma fe me patron wo mo love from the teacher mu enso e wo e masma ho ti wuro mo ho na fe me patron bi pietuma ko etama me patron no mu ni nkomo 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 me patron na mo a na wo to ase twetwe what ase me patron be ram enso e wo 21st clinic what ase me patron wo to ase a twetwe no wo sire mu na twetwe no e part ase stroke e bon kaye nti ram I go 21st clinic. Call name per show. Na my sister 21st clinic kami ko mo asemi. Wo mo start do adwuma hu enya se keto ko mo a me patron stroke abubu obogo na sciatica amo mo bra ba sai obi okọ the sister atia ni nyina mo pa 21st clinic etu otwa wo mo nyamo fa wo date mi na tetene kama ama bibia tumi ko yeso de mo enter lab ana fei a scan service wo ba robo 21st clinic na fei yetuma bo kama na ba bibia so to we person tamo e ba no massage and machine treatment ye bo pa ye atuma pa me patro we draw boss a court junction wo ye cha kwan kaswa you want to make market and also car. You want to make market to your chakwa, Uromo Sunyane, Takwa Uromo Techman, the Biabo, your chakwa, Kumasa, dear, the patro, you were, Adabraka, what I say, a overseas junction, and Oba get Quine, and yes, I go to start building now to the first clinic, Moana Sompa FM, as Abani in Como 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Yahuma. We bet to my friend 21st clinic for him 24 as we to in Como canteen and not take drinking water. And some they would just so artists and yes, to get to a crowd. What do you say? In your near yen day, a producer acid, a nipa so a function under alkaline. And to say, who pensua, a bit to my money per alkaline, a bit to my money per to my fancy ya, the patcher canton and not take drinking water. Maybe no about what fair flow, once our power fair fryana, I said the content in a cost power. When you're canton and not drinking water now, me patcher, the who acid no. Love for not to make form, net nipajene to my function at the alkaline, not for the piasso to make question Tamante canton and not drinking water to Japana. And one is so bonum, wow, you want him, we need pajene to me fancy, and turning to me fancy, promoting say, would you, with the canton and function freedom, bo, almost a standing money now, and apart from that for whole sweat tomato, or member be a tone, so be a beer, Uber, shopping malls, I would do provision stores, I would do Ninano, Ubenya canton and not drinking water, be a tone, so be a your qua. Busan so what canton or any canton or dia on your authentic with pattern so penudo to a home going above 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahoma Uber to my friend canton and not drinking water with patrol Brahma UGC and about your chakwa and I said Tafuni Road about Road Junction about your chakwa on a 1 year babadita I put for your set to be ready and there you toro taratoro and obey the rough so press what to saying
latest.
Bibi aboko there. Nyasa good talk. Hey, Abrante we na send why who power. Na so my boys need first kapa. Betway. What I say na woman boys na some first ka betway nyasa good talk. Hey, Philip Bibi aboko there. And then we say Philip Ura Hana boss beto gate him because we say can't you worry on why she pa na say to cry. Okay, Bama,
and a night of UEFA Champions League. And this is the business aspect of the UEFA Champions League. They face, as you see, you know, so we are a big team. And this is where you should show how big you are. And if you are a smaller team, so now person improve your metal. This is when you show how also me fighting against the so-called big clubs. No, in the end, some of the games never so, but there's one big game, OBN also, which is the Derby of Madrid. The Madrid Derby, which Real Madrid will be hosting Atletico Madrid in the UEFA Champions League first leg. Ne beat me Barcelona. Now, Penny, in such a big game, no, let me highlight some little history between these two teams. Whether the La Liga, any game be or mobile, let me try to highlight it small. Now, me see the UEFA Champions League. No, when say between these two teams, I'm talking about Real Madrid and then the Atletico Madrid. No, or more a game so about so far. In the entirety of their existence, no, 238 times. Wow. 238 times between those two teams. Because in
all competitions.
Yes, in all competitions. Madrid has always been there. Atletico Madrid, though, the glories of Madrid, but they've also always been there. Into it is 238 times. Madrid has won 116 times, and then Atletico Madrid are winning 59 times, and 63 are drawn games. But on say another UEFA Champions League. So let's try to highlight the UEFA Champions League now. So far in the existence of these two teams, Madrid and Atletico Madrid has met 9 times in the UEFA Champions League, and 2 of them was, and I said 3 of them was way back when it was called the European Air Cup. You see how it is, and in recent times, no, almost say Makumaku 6 times. And out of the 9 times, no, Madrid are winning 5, and Atletico Madrid, and so we need 2, and 2 are drawn games, which is the UEFA Champions League. The history between these two. Now, Adeba Kunsu Eomuni, Unim say out of these 2 games, Atletico Madrid are winning in the 9 encounters against Real Madrid in the Champions League. No, Emuba was in the olden days, 1959. And now Omutimi winning their only game against Real Madrid at that time. And in that game, Abrantia friend Enrique Cola. He's one of those players in the Madrid derby in the Champions League. The only Atletico Madrid player watched more than a goal against Madrid in the UEFA Champions League. and then time na Champions League na European Cup. It is that time no and wo timinya that 2 goals no edema Atletico Madrid. And in the first and I said the second leg, first leg no Madrid win here. Ferran Puskas mutimi shego ma Madrid win here. But in the second leg, papa friend Enrique Cola, it me be share 1 goal. Emma Atletico Madrid eso ebe level pegin in the 2 ties no. Emma ne call the third one. On say in those days no and ya na nke bi extra time ne sa na man in those days no more tire. First leg banner, second leg banner, more tire. You play another third game. And in the third game, and Madrid winning here by 2-1. And in the third game, Madrid winning by 2-1. Saya Papaya, Enrico Cola, and the team share that goal. Into between those 3 encounters in the olden days, these 2 teams, Nishano, Enrico Cola, and they share the 2 goals, Atletico Madrid, at the moment. And in the history of the UEFA Champions League between these 2 teams, no, only Enrique Cola and Etimiashe 2 goals. Edema Atletico Madrid against Real Madrid. It is why the history in any way is favoring Real Madrid because Abranti friend Cristiano Ronaldo was 4 goals. Ubenya Sergio Ramos. Unzo no the Obonidi in the UEFA Champions League and Atletico Madrid for Pebebiate because of the famous header. On swashe 2 goals and then you get Ferran Puskas on swashe 2 goals. But Adebako Ohuni, you see, we are talking about history, and then the history could be broken, an answer could be made. Antoine Griezmann Beshe game, that's right. Yeah. And in the history of Real Madrid and then Atletico Madrid, or would there be in the UEFA Champions League, no? Enrique Cola washe 2 goals. The next person, what me ashe a goal against Real Madrid, no? Abranti friend Antoine Griezmann me Congrize. In 2016-2017, so Obekaya, he was the one Otiminya that only goal. Adema Madrid, Atletico Madrid in the second encounter. And let's not forget, in the first encounter, no Ronaldo became Juman de Madrid. Obekaya, that was the time Ronaldo aboard that hat-trick. A sumptuous hat-trick, Edema Madrid in the first leg, second leg, Antoine Griezmann, Etimi shared that only goal. No. And so here, say, and Otiminya another goal against Madrid. Then Obe broke the record, Enrique Cola had the 2 hono, but Otiminya 2 goals. No Otiminya surpassed Enrique Cola, then Abe the second person in the derby between these 2 teams. No, Otiminya share most goals. Right behind Cristiano Ronaldo, we now fall. Internet history is being made, and then history could be broken today. Now, Yansha Debuasi, Yamfamre and Nimkakra. I've spoken about the history between these 2. Yamfamre and Nimkakra. Onim said the last 7 encounters are Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid in all competitions. The only time yenya a proper win, and I say a win in regulation time, which is 90 minutes, you born 90 minutes, we not back when we was way back the 5th game, and I said the 6th game, these 2 teams, it's me boy. And in the last 5 games between these 2 teams, Bakoko and Honma 90 minutes, yenya a winner. It all ends in a draw. The Benya winner, I just say it travels to extra time. And on extra time, no, Atletico Madrid they winning back, and Madrid and Swe winning back. And between these 2 teams, the last 5 encounters, no, yenya ubia 90 minutes with Timinya win. The 6th one, and Atletico Madrid winning by 3-1. Always it and so between these 2, in recent years, clearly you could feel say, Omumi enuno, ahwadena omahwadena at par. Obi and Timmy more than the young so. And that time, Omutimi share Madrid by 3-1. Let's not forget Antoine Griezmann and then Alvaro Morata. And the team yes, Edgeman. Griezmann scoring 1 goal, Alvaro Morata also getting the other goal. So clearly you could feel say between these 2 teams in recent form, Nana say in recent years, no, Omahu Adeni Epe. But yet they are no koto man. Yen sure DB. In these recent games, now make no. It seems there is something always hindering Madrid. And I said disturbing Real Madrid in the 7 games, and I said in the recent games, no Mabono. Unim say in games between Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid in the recent of the game. And yes, a player biake, unse player we bet me important here. You see how it is, but it is either Abrante and Thibaut Courtois ebe out. It is either Eder Militao is out. It is either David Alaba is out. Rudiger will be out. Even it got to a time at the last time at Atletico Madrid between these 2 teams, and when a Belmu in the 90th minute make wasem and they in 3-1 in favor of Boboko from Atletico Madrid. No, that game Vinicius Junior was out of that game when Timmy and Bobby and Fama Madrid. It's why in recent years, no, so always a major injury be at the stable Real Madrid team, no, and then yes, I been this same Nibium. Atletico Madrid team no more. The only players who are out, Koke Resurrection and then Cesar Aspilicueta. But we all know Cesar Azpilicueta, even if he is fit, he's not going to start ahead of Marcos Llorente. Coca Resurrection some years back, no, they're the main starter, but right now, we all know, say, Papa, friend Pablo Barrios, it's me to free the starting lineup anymore. And to this season, Kwano, Abrante friend Cookie, out of the plenty games from Mabon, was started just 14. Telling you, said the young chap, Pablo Barrios, it's me to free team anymore. And to not to say, say, on your integral part of Atletico Madrid team, no. But on your player back, what free me, a better move, unlike Madrid, dear no. And you say, on Madrid, dear no, a hair for out. We all know. In the midfield, the one player they mostly depend on is Abrante and Jude Bellingham. The proper link-up player, or the team link the midfield to the attack, trying to get them some incisive crosses, need some passes via it may result in goals. Not to talk for and I say main train question the game or my boy Abrante and Jude Bellingham, Emma that sumptuous pass to Hendrick, Emma and the ball on net. And Abrante Feno, Jude Bellingham is out through suspension. What did Jude Bellingham on Soto Nchenya? We are having a Kabaya, you name him so on there, on more game will be, and it is going to go a long way to disturb them. Because in the absence of Kabaya, no, you name him say Abrante friend Lucas Vazquez na kwasheho. And on any day, Lucas Vazquez isn't a player in any top game. Obe pese, where Madrid fan obey now number 2 position about the amount. It's Cavaya is missing. You get Abrante FM Militao and then Dani Ceballos, the informed midfielder for Madrid, on also say out this game. And we know say Federico Valverde is likely to start, but you and I are aware he is not fully fit. You see the problem here. And there is major disturbances in the recent games. Madrid near Atletico Madrid, and then Esabe take place BM. Omechi honum. Ubenya a Rudiger do to play. Ubenya Raul Asensio, but we all know say Adam Militao ne Rudiger I build a solid bond. Do say Raul Asensio be shame or Jumani in the midfield Dani Ceballos, Rudiger, Jude Bellingham is out. So clearly you feel say Madrid is going to go into this game affected yet again. Now Yesha Debu I say these two teams ni no. Minu ya aware. Say they are very much aware if they are not able to go a long way to win this UEFA Champions League. The La Liga title, no, and yet assured for the both of them. And I said the two teams, no, omuntimi for omun sense you omubon kase meje La Liga because right now Barcelona has been taking the lead, and with the form Barcelona is showing in recent games, no, after they lost against Leganes, Osasuna, money some games or Mulusi, and clearly, unim say kese Barcelona win, no, they've learned a lesson out of it, and clearly you feel say Hans Dieter Flick is getting that proper combination. I know here from the players. Unim say ne me bought Frankie De Jong together with Pedro, many the results. Me bought Abrante Efela, Rafinha, Lewandowski, many the results. Dani Olmo is also back. Barcelona is flying in very good colors in the La Liga. And these two teams, Madrid and Atletico Madrid, they know perfectly. Say La Liga, no, this is a game. They really need to win. Both of them need so be it me winning at all costs. And Adeba Akonso a hard being here. I feel say a better working in favor of Real Madrid. And we know whatever be the case, a game of UEFA Champions League and Madrid, any team. Whatever happens, you know there are some things that are working in favor of Real Madrid. The recent games from Abono, Atletico Madrid, Omuntimi winning a game, Madrid home. The last time Omuntimi winning a game, Real Madrid home in all competitions, way back 2016.
Okay.
And it was Antoine Griezmann and the Senya goal. So clearly you feel say this game a lot of things will happen, but for Atletico Madrid to be able to win, I see say about the pure aggression and the counter play and number rely mostly on, but with the side of Real Madrid, the individual quality of the players must come to bear. Okay. And I believe Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo will be able to come out victorious and help Real Madrid win this game. Difficult, but I still feel Madrid will win. But Arsenal, the opinion, if they are not careful, they are going up against a team. Look, they are bigger than PSG, but they are going up against a team and they score for fun. Okay, they score for fun
against Arsenal.
Oh yeah, Arsenal. More attackers. Leandro Trossard. Listen, also I'm on fire. You don't win games with this team. So for me, I believe say I'm best struggle, bet be a big team mentality. Let me hear you, Mama.
Arsenal telephone be share. Okay, Philip Ba. Imboost about Mr. No, Arsenal for here be pa no matman no netman imboost to more. What I say, Bebwa come one who year tin. Yari be a woody pegger say, Doctor Timu drew, Ubetuma no na Yari co, Ninya say, on common who didn't form, but when you imboost about Mr. Nessa Wonuma, now a man common who didn't cosro, now for the Yari be a booting out of your body. Now we want to make a dainty for the imboost about Mr. Yabino or member be a told room piano on some cabby. Now open the door to her. 0246 20 84 96 0246 20 84 96 Imbus pharmacy so and just a good talk be a cassia pa I will call there you never tell this on the day Main Street what I say it to Konokotu no brofu no be droning na ye the biaba Imbus pharmacy o me have your boy juma pa mega cash lucky boss me patron for food this is here na me no nya juma we me press ka gu bottom me pre e dey gu bottom star 426 star 6 hash. Name me so most of the options never and no a mega cash lucky boss. Me patron sound lucky way there and yes so go cry because ada can be a win me so be a boss be a me so be no lucky wom. What I say to wom be so to Jessica 18 for this is here. That dial star 426 star 6 hash. Name me so options never ne pet or lucky boss among the options. Name me so a 5 gather pet ubet deep bear 5 billion. What I say, I know you mega cash lucky boss and rade. Hey, Mrs. Kappa would my boys and say no, and yes, Kakatoa, and you Trinity way National Lottery Authority at a 80 years. What don't go there. What I say, Mrs. Don't go there. Philip, say me be able to there. Don't go there, Allah. Yan trust way.
Say PSV Eindhoven have a very good record in Europe than Arsenal.
Oh.
In the history of the champions.
Na mo Arsenal ye mo den. Madam Roma Arsenal wa ye mo den.
Me build bibi.
Obi yeah na what to twede enti Arsenal.
Me build bibi. Me to twede enti om. Bibi na me build. Now somewhat in 1988 it was a year of Dutch football.
What's have my whole history on? What's how cry we henie pa. Na say the other ba santime ma henie pa. Ye to aso ha.
In the year 1988 it was the year for the Dutch game. PSV Eindhoven edge the Champions League, and the Dutch national team so J the Euros. Till date, the only trophy the Dutch national team Holland or the Netherlands the Euros in 1988, and it was under manager for Rinus Michel. And Rinus Michel no invent system na friend total football. The originator, the total football on the buy your friend the coach Rinus Michel. And Rinus Michel, one of his disciples, and a papa na friend Johan Cruyff no. And they coach obe change the history of Barcelona. Papa friend Johan Cruyff. And Johan Cruyff under him so one of players are also a coach to become one of the better people. Yeah, Ronald Koeman. Now guess what? Rinus Michel, when no about the 1988 Champions League, at a quarter final, only Bordeaux 1-1. Stade du Parc Leisure in Bordeaux. And after Sony Bordeaux 1-1, it's now Philippe Stadion. Any team Bordeaux was 0-0. And because it was aggregate score line, 1-1 away, 0-0 at home. So you Bordeaux Frimu. No cycle share Real Madrid at the semi-final. And against Real Madrid, no. Only Real Madrid 1-1 at the Stadio Santiago Bernabeu. No, it's not Philippe Stadion. It was 0-0 with Real Madrid. So meaning say there was aggression in terms of their defensive play. Or one. It is very difficult. So what about Bertrand Paris PSV Eindhoven in 1988 because of the manager, our friend Gusedink. Now guess what? At the final, against SL Benfica, those times and those years not teams are no dominating European football. We Real Madrid Benfica. But the great Ajax team. And the 70s and the 80s were years for the Dutch football. And PSV Eindhoven that time, Papa now building the face of the team. Papa a friend that is Gusedink. And Gusedink, in recent times, anytime a Chelsea football club a problem the stopgap Gusedink. Or a one man, he's hugely respected. Our Chelsea football club. And Didier Drogba Flora Maluda, Nicolas Anelka Munina will attest to what I'm saying. He's one manager, because of the kind of aggression and the defensive emphasis, solid. Normally, seems to be a good sitting coach Biano at Anya balance. In the history of Asian football, the best Asia, Enya at the World Cup, semi-final. And Wobekaya, 2002 was Japan and Korea. Asia, edu the semi-finals of the World Cup. And Korea, edu semi-final. And after so, we do semi-final, no. Omu see Edema team Turkey. And after so, we see my Turkey, no. Coach, only Korea, the semi-final, no, was this man, our friend Gusedink. And Gusedink till date, the best in the history of PSV Eindhoven. Now, guess what? PSV are against Arsenal. Now, we watch PSV. Game no ni Arsenal bono. There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to fear. And the reason why there is nothing to fear is say, we for Juventus on the face set, on the template no bono. Sa 4-3-3. Now for Arsenal Football Club, 4-3-3 now. System ni nyina epe. And what the kind of materials appear Arsenal any kind of materials are PSV that is Juventus say one. I don't think say gap no bebre. Omu nyina star studded. But PSV Eindhoven no omu were a lot of goals in the Arsenal. Omu weakness in the Eredivisie goals are omu ta concede. Omu share a lot of goals but they concede more. Unfortunately for Peter Bosz, or manager of PSV Eindhoven, no, and then PSV Eindhoven 8 points behind Ajax in the Eredivisie in Netherlands. Now guess what? Current team na PSV Ekrano. Let's on far the PSV lineup against Arsenal and 2 screens no so mami. Now against Arsenal, against Juventus, PSV started goalkeeper Walter Benitez. Meaning we know him say currently no, who got PSV number 1, Walter Benitez ahead of Jerome Dromel. Now at right back no, player or prefer no when he played against Juve, Richard Ledesma. Now left back near Moro Jr. Now center back pair near Ryan Flamingo, and Olivier Boscali. Now in the middle no, one near Jumani Nina Ewo. Joe Vierman, Jadi Shuten, Ismail Saibari, and in attack, Ivan Perisic, Luc Dion, and Noala. But playing against Arsenal, no, Arsenal MSA Gabriel Jesus, Kai Havertz, Gabriel Martinelli, and Bukayo Saka. So in that state, Arsenal team no almost strengthening in our Ebegina midfield. I'm sure Arsenal manager, friend Mikel Arteta, I start Mikel Merino, so no best start as force number 9, so that Itani Wanerino ebe romi behind Mikel Merino, and that will never solve the problem. Arsenal crisis no, why na the ball better net in.
So are you trying to say Arsenal will struggle against Eindhoven?
Arsenal, their PSV
Arsenal.
In the Champions League,
with this squad and the former Arsenal this season,
there is one experience
against PSV Eindhoven.
No, there is
because of my Juve.
And yes,
I'll be very disappointed.
And it's tactically and then because Obo against Arsenal, no, say Arsenal on materials, be to say Gabriel Jesus, Havertz, Martinelli, Saka available. Definitely, Tyron Malacia. Malacia, Manchester United.
Yeah.
Or one defensive core, near Ding, or one player beer, and easy so the ball be funny. But this time, no, because of what against Arsenal, we are toothless. On one attack, and looking blunt, he will try to go with Richard Ledesma, and the emphasis, attacking, that is force. Now another one, Moro Jr., who also attacks more, but then was centre back pair beer, we are solid as ever. And this year in the Champions League, even the Juve attack, couldn't break them up. And that attack, the defensive shape, Ryan Flamingo, and Brent Olivier Boscali. In the Arsenal game there for now, it is hugely unpredictable. By Pediamiu, any as a Conozeno, I think Sir PSV Eindhoven playing at the Philips Stadion, or more slight edge over Team Arsenal because of the Arsenal attack now currently Omunya available. No. Real Madrid game no mobile. The reason why Ancelotti might rush that is Federico Valverde very simple. Now, Saúl Lucas Vázquez. Next Lucas Vázquez, but direct to Samuel Lino. Any Brent here, friend, Julian Alvarez, now Antoine Griezmann, a disaster. The reason is very simple. These 3 players, a Brent here, friend Lucas Vázquez, the strength plan say or attack it, but the weakness and say or defend it. But what watch Federico Valverde? Valverde is very good when he's defending and attacking at the same time. Or one player be a map Real Madrid team in balance. So even have faith Federico Valverde will do a very good job on Atletico Madrid. But mind you, say Federico Valverde so starts it. Neso Copra, meaning say, and a curse in disguise. And the Real Madrid en route to winning the La Liga. Already in the La Liga, they are 3 points adrift of the team not the top no, in FC Barcelona. So what are we expecting? It is one game. There are a lot of serial killers and there are a lot of deciding factors in the game. Now guess what? These are games a winning Ballon d'Or. These are games esa wo share wuji udi na wiase nyina bo aba so you can win the Ballon d'Or. So this is a game a motivation for players be to say Kylian Mbappe. And this is also a game a motivation for Antoine Griezmann and Julian Alvarez. Now guess what? Atletico Madrid dey misro mo pa na say when the going gets tough. So started Griezmann and Julian Alvarez now far. Sometimes you know, a person call buga or person call halfway. And in going the halfway, no, there is a substitute to be on the bench. I find Alexander Solot. Whenever he comes on, definitely about bullying the way through. And that is where we may hear a lot of Rudiger energy, you know, on this player, our friend Alexander Solot, because Solot no holding. Alvarez, you know, yes, sniper. On the style now it's Raul Gonzalez. I say Filippo Inzaghi, and I say Chicharito. On not to tell Oria, I say players, you know, or stadium, so goalkeeper punch a ball, no, or a very good with the second balls. That is the strength of Julian Alvarez. Say we are to tell, na shall go there. On in yet will be as I say, it was as
Alvarez.
But then no, Julian Alvarez.
Yes.
Or a very good, he's a sniper. And snipers are young football, mono. Why wouldn't Filippo Inzaghi, Raul Gonzalez, and those guys, you know, yaka snipers now. That sniper role, no. Say obi a all born all perfect or better. This boy Julian Alvarez. Say he can also decide the game. So there are a lot of deciding factors, but there is a concern. It looks like Vinicius Junior form no. As a take crowd. And for some time, no, Vinicius Junior is not in the picture for Real Madrid. And this game, you know, one player so you better count on power when the going gets tough. Over to make creative space for the attackers to score. When your friend Jude Bellingham, no.
Okay.
Jude is now the heart and soul of the team. When the midfield is not clicking, one player or gets a ball no, into attacking spaces for Real Madrid, Jude Bellingham. And this manager, friend Diego Simeone, would also try to pin Jude Bellingham down. And so, no, this game, no will be a red card, Bemwa may and shock me. Say, a lot of yellow cards in this game, I wouldn't be surprised at all. Now, Lille ever against Team Dortmund. Now, Lille no Dortmund game, no, manager friend Niko Kovac. Or one globe trotter, it can't be a globe trotter. I say constantly, no, and now Ubehunwaha, watching on them, that is the coach we are talking about. Onante pa, Niko Kovac. Now Niko Kovac, when the stocks in the course through with Frankfurt, you know, Bayern Munich never found first. But unfortunately, Olusi the dressing room and when to be in control the egos of the big boys at team my friend Bayern Munich. So clearly, you know, when Olusi dressing room went to be in control the egos of the players, you know, Bayern Pamono. And Bayern Pamono, currently we're at Dortmund are struggling with consistency. And Bono in the Bundesliga. Dortmund are a struggling team in the Bundesliga. And the Dortmund over the top 9 in the Bundesliga, there is no Dortmund. Dortmund are now 10th on the Bundesliga table. That is not the natural habitat for team and friend Dortmund. And on board against a team that is a team on also performing better in the Liga and in Europe. Lille, mind you, are one of the teams almost share Real Madrid and route to qualifying to this stage. Into this game now, but Lille so problem they say for some time more from not kakra. Because game ni na age na one player so your friend Jonathan David. But Jonathan David benya the game the brain behind Jonathan David, your friend Eden Jagrova. Yeah. And Eden Jagrova no, it looks like on also the form now see and pick a crack. In some game no case who ye pa one person will be to me decided Dortmund. Any little game no, your friend no Sehu Gerasi, the boy from Guinea, on no be to me decide the game way. Now let's just offer video way into some quick. Castello Lukeba. One of the in-demand center backs. As I say, we are seeing no Castello Lukeba. Let's just offer the video into so now. This boy, he is solid a centre back. Currently, no, there are
the Biasana Mokau.
Meba, bueno,
this guy, what Chelsea, Christopher Nkunku, Timo Werner, solid striker, Omoba Banti.
But Timo Werner saw by Obokakra.
Wait,
Timo Werner, Obokakra was Chelsea. Now let me my main straight here for the qualities of this centre back.
Okay.
Or a ball playing centre back, or a hard tackler, and again, or some so commanded from the back.
Obi do where's the chair? Obi to my time £100 million on go first striker be bad.
No,
and now defend the mid double. The way we see describing players, we
current Chelsea team no. Jamola Kepa a leader at the back. Chelsea team no.
So this boy cannot be a leader at the back for Chelsea.
No. Let's come maturity in your age.
It will woof is where mature
for fear beam. My main show at DB. Ubet me out fear beam will be in 18 years. Papa bit will only 60 years. But the 18 years now, dream then it's terminal. As to change the when you're 60 years. No, who will be sadder? Someone will be sadder. Yes. So Castel Lukebano, he has arrived. Watch our qualities no at RB Leipzig.
Okay.
Currently, no, he's one of the in-demand centre backs. We are seeing Obiara. Liverpool Football Club near no pay. Tottenham Hotspur are looking at the signature, and the Man City Munina are looking at this youngster, from Castel Lukeba. And one interesting fact about this guy, any aerial judgment in terms of one in the Miriam, young judge, when to jump, when to move, and also when to just be on his knees, you know. This is the player we are talking about, Castel Lukeba. He has solid quality and what very energetic. He's one of the players and the Chelsea Football Club near now another thing at Chelsea, any teams around you, want to goalkeeper, a friend of Bad Verbruggen.
Oh,
Bad Verbruggen. Now Bad Verbruggen, yeah, one goalkeeper. Dutch phony believe say in the long term, Dutch phony believe say in the long term. No, the next Edwin van der Sar, Holland, Ebenya, this boy, Bad Verbruggen. Age no ever nafa. And then you would see Chelsea Football Club in here a goalkeeper obey the number one between the sticks. Currently no Kepa alone. Almost a Kepa there probably. They still don't want him. Robert Sanchez and you're reliable. You can't count on Philip Jorgensen.
What of Brighton?
You can't you can't count on Philip Jorgensen. And this time around, Bad Verbruggen so more penal. He said, Bayern should say, long-term replacement for Manuel Neuer. Now, interesting fact is that, when Bayern decided, so no will pray this youngster one. Bayern Benya, the reason is very simple. Manuel Neuer, I can a little gas in him.
Okay.
And no check. He's out of the German national team. He's only concentrating at Bayern.
Okay.
But then check, Manuel Neuer will say bye-bye to the Bayern Munich.
Okay.
And so, a long-term replacement.
Chelsea are simply not that serious.
But they are looking at Bad Verbruggen saying,
okay. Thank you.
A long-term replacement for goalkeeper, friend Manuel Neuer.
But I want to ask this question, Prince. Apart from Mo Salah, this season, who is the next best player? I will know. Rafinha. But according to BBC votings, Rafinha comes nowhere in the top 5.
Top 5. For BBC,
for BBC,
the top 5.
The current best.
Almost currently the best player according to votings, of course,
Okay.
BBC say Mohamed Salah 83%.
Oh, for that.
Kylian Mbappe 9%. Vinicius Junior 4%, Lamine Yamal 2%,
and the others are 2.
Well, I don't think so. For me, it doesn't sound right to me.
Sir.
Because even I, in a way, feels like the closest person to Mohamed Salah this season is Rafinha.
Rafinha.
But because of voting, voting,
but
people are showing their
opinion. Me pacho obi abro Facebook so. Now Philip at the code, Betway and then way a straight code. What you say? And then matches a personal. Oh, Baba Fessica. What you say? Oh, Baba Fessica. Facebook so Sompa 93.1 FM. Our Facebook so Baba Fessica. What you say? And then matches a personal. Baba Trinity. Where Philip at the Maye. Now wait to make charity. But who's about for messages? Suka Kawaha. Now Betway say. Me pacho obey to now Baba Trinity. Be another category. Be a Baba frame. Now. eba be sell bet no o se wo more opportunity wo se match bi ba be sell bet na wo twa na yifri betway kwa na ma opportunity e wo sa e wo the app no so na wo se bet bi ba be sell o bet na wo twa na obu ha the bet tete wo se ba ku bi o e na akọ sai ni nyina na the bet ni ya kwa da bi betway so ma o bet wo twa na kwa da bi o so je sika gu motom betway heavy best saver what I say betway best saver no and na make am for them to be part of betway there everywhere you go boku the far yeah left right boku the far betway what I say yeah but the first case is here but who say Starboy still watching the show live and clear at Hafumem Airport what I say in front for Douglas was a surprise more fire when the fire emojis no gumusa another beautiful day to enjoy in-depth analysis of knowledgeable surprise as he breaks down on the stories. I keep loving you guys day in and day out. Inkumsa is one of the best analysts with proper diction. Real Madrid will surely win against Atletico Madrid tonight. Keep showering. Hi guys, 100% win and I'm watching the message on Tampa. You know, confirm message. I say hashtag Hala Madrid, more fire. I think Jamana Power say I am Kwame Carrasco watching you live from Sunyani Technical University. Little kid, you are the best. The Blues all the way. Okay, lucrative and Nunana CK was more fire. Okay, you what was from Nebehi watching you live. Sports Papa. Okay, and that's it. We are going to squeeze the grey matter out of Atletico Madrid tonight. Hashtag Hala Madrid. Okay, yeah, and do also what you live from Mampo Ekrofoso. Yadama say, sorry, Edward, I say, my boss in Kumsa is too much. Wow. Okay, Nelly Brown. Lasky was say nice presentation by all standard. Keep up the good work. And I say, Kofi to my black man. I say good morning. Watching you live inside Pay from Accra. Yeah, I see Manuel. I'm performing good morning. Little Ken. I am watching the show live from Takwa. I need more updates on my darling club Chelsea. But maybe I do Chelsea as well. But Champions League for the year, we will updates. What I say, Papa Nicolas Satango say good morning. Let's talk and watching the show live inside Pap. I said number 9 Pap Moshi Zongo. What I say, all of you now you go some over call ya, but Kwako win and pass. So first time Kujosen was saying live from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, no hay free. Quay Lord was say watching the show live from Frankfurt City, Germany. Greetings to King Romeo inside Sunyani, more out there from Barca. Okay, Musada, Fala, darling, was say Manchester United is heaven. Manchester Panabotin to Musei was say you be too much. Philip Kobina in Kumsa where Sylvester Yamiku Johnson. The message on Jabano. You are Akresi Owusu. Also talking good morning. Good Akresi. Oh Brekum. The whole Brekum will be a Akresi. Everyone in the Biana Akresi Nemu. Or first some person Diagro Akresi. Good morning. We are heavy. Young Fessica. Young Fessica. Philip. Prince, and then your first cow Betway, and then Obiamra. Your first cow Betway, your first cow Betway. Prince,
say no, Yama man for first car. This and net the end become what this is going to be the 5th time. Yeah, man for first car. I never acquire measures they are making. Scan more far, Mummy, Hubi. Okay, because you need any idea, then I'm
more first car. Yeah, percentage, yeah, tight.
Because at the end, the amount
of first car,
you did say what did. And you will be
so also you try was also met my first car. Let's go. And the young first car,
yeah, first car, baby. Yeah, first car.
Young concern the matches in the kit to be an hour.
I get to it. Emuso de.
But person would be better. Who person would be better? Bet headquarters that do any bet way. What I say, Philip. Everybody code no. What I said, yeah, Kwakuta. No, yet Philip Yanko.
Mesra say MCR that is the code. M2 screens no sumaye. Code near 18075140. 18075140. And Raminya call be what Takra day for Spunky, Jen Mo, and the guys be almost say, hey. And then the bets, they are with us. It's the message said, Nadia, code near 18075140. Okay. 1807 075140. Now games ni simple. Now Club Brugge any Aston Villa game no. First half no under 6.5 corners. Corners no do 7 corners in the first half.
Yeah, in the first half.
In the first half. First half on quality. In the first half on Club Brugge any Aston Villa corners no do 7.
Hey.
Corners no do 7.
Who's that?
That is the first 4.
Who's that? Obi rush to the Haba team warning. Was saying. Samuma ya shie sika panes ya dia sie bisi ampubu ofia na bisi onko twa no bedi
no kasara minya line that is the message.
Me pacho so phone no ene code ne daso no code no de dia to Sompa TV so risk can di code no me pacho wa wutie bia risk can di code na sisi kwakuda Sompa TV most code no enta so na se ko Facebook ko so uko Facebook ko so Sompa 93.1 FM. No one follow, no one share out to message na by YouTube also. Sompa TV subscribe na for message na bra. Coordinator so kono ko chane di bet way yanku ani.
Real Madrid ni Atletico Madrid game no first half corners name do 7. Omo nyina omo ye mean teams. Omo be born as a pumping.
Okay.
Into the corners no e be dey pass the corners na be do 7 in the first half. So first half under 6.5 corners.
Okay.
Now Dortmund ni Lille. Omo mienu nyina so no omo ye two attacking teams but then obia be very careful obia be make sure say omo echi wo be pumping in this game. In the first half no corners name do 7 corners no under 6.5. Now PSV ni Arsenal Football Club omo dey in terms of game management omo ye the best but Arsenal attack no and to me override the team na from PSV no. Into me expecting less corners in the first half, and also under 6.5. Now there is a game in Egypt, Egyptian league. There is a game between ENPPI and Zamalek. ENPPI and Zamalek. That game, Zamalek can go there and win, but then because of your first country, you're safe. Yes, win or draw for Zamalek. It is very simple. Win or draw for Zamalek. Now, we go England. There is a championship game between Cardiff and Burnley. Prince Bejiatuma. One of the games, and also one of the leagues in the world that corners and Tamba cry in the championship in England. Or go to me 190 minutes, no more 2 corners pay. But when no first half, because you pay first car in the first half, no Cardiff ni Burnley, you're in under 6.5 corners, no NB7. Now the next game, your Hull City and the Plymouth Argyle. Plymouth Argyle, Elbow Hull City. Now 2 teams ni now so we mean. Omo ye pumping. Omo say dinny. Omo ye stingy. Omo attack bebre. So first half we expect to say corners no end do 8. So under 7.5 in the first half. Now Halifax and Forest Green Rovers. Ebo. Now that game no so first half no corners no end do 7. So it is under 6.5. Now the last game you Crew Alexandra and Fleetwood Town. Crew Alexandra and Fleetwood Town.
So when you are the other man.
Crew Alexandra, any Fleetwood Town. Crew Alexandra, any Fleetwood Town. And also here under 7.5. So meaning say, I don't know, first half corners no, and do 8. And that year, So far, we be your fifth time if we win. Since your son shots here, we be your fifth time if we win. But you must stress boys, so moody scanner, Omomayu.
And
we'll be the first.
Very true.
And we'll be the first car.
One thing I see, only one person. And so far, Omame ya aware say Ucha no di, but we know say all these people Ucha no mudi and very nice Ucha no dia. Then you just let us say that.
So when you the data the be.
Oh yes.
It when run so quarterly so. Now what dial *530# wum yaswa and one say me patrol where ye made for me bundle now kwakwaju or telecell connecting energies. On this note, we draw the curtains down on the foreign discussions. We pause for a short commercial break. When we come back, more talking to be done. Stay tuned.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win even if your bet misses.
If I shall be, I'm sure you'll value.
Right, and that's okay.
What are you going to see about Queen Wayne? Say,
Brass, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy with fear for any idea about the ever so.
really do this offering now.
Brass, and because I made the time about Misha Wadansia, we are seeing now ever Timinka, 87 malaria, what grand time about Misha.
And you're cool, dear, and what I want to meet any deal. What grand time about Misha? A drink, and your map or bar waffle fruit, the one map or down for any up or down when you feel to me, and some of the time about Misha Drain Bill. She said, walk to hospital, and I said, I'm what we said, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME, time about Misha. I feel malaria fever, the other is Ziva, a woman, even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers, and the herbal shop to do an FDA Aji a judging crotway at all.
I was like, I can't do a job to narrow who's a woman said. I will frack it to 1 year 2 years after that. It's the African Spider-Man. I may have a frack it to him when any power here. Get the bill cost for Luti coming when you go ready, won't be. Expectation African Spider-Man the Baby say what of faith, but preoccuping the who's African tax, what Baby say what of faith, now secret piano, anything.
Imbus herbal mixture and only secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yet na we ka from. Ana police me do one dance tell me say menye na me nso hwe. Na me so we no a booster immune system ama say me train na me ntebe. Me timi di come on. Ama we ka wo no so ekoso. Me kura so me ta yale amama ye latitude me nya baako. Aye je na koso he. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you?
Mo fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imbus herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. I think for any column if you're doing FDA aggregate at.
If you want better future, join the Rose, cause our great be the future. Join the Rose, this be one for the culture. Join the Rose, cause say you might be for Ghana. Join the Rose, the Rose.
Kuya yomu hekwanya ubefaso nyejuma ana ati ejumekua mfaso waso ewo kuyejuma mu eni ATVet mu enneya suanamone fasi sanwo wobusua eni wompatemu asetenemu bo star 718*50# na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Top Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation ni Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debrel
Mamishe time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa a your draw say a manipedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakoto fire wadro na no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso wonno a na the time HH herbal mixture edia bedwaso akora wonyenye mfisia dumienu animbi wopemfo ane oba wo makora nufo enso anumbi time HH herbal mixture wobenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture yedro say FDA agye adwadien kratoi atum
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yes toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yes toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yes toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wymed. Make Yes toothpaste and Yes toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yes toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer.
Okay, yadama say yadaya wokakra yasaba omani nyina sinko na babetra se no ya asem keto akra oba bebie fisem na go ene sinko we awase oba no mame fo no ko Dwabewura bank na Dwabewura bank say wono no emma na mo ye adwuma wo recognized institutions wo Ghana ha omo obi amosia. Oh, okay. Dwabewura bank say omo obi abosia etu obi ameche bosia what I say mano wo dia babeje bosia na fata wukurachi na monsem bie another adwuma disika bebe bosia ni mo what I say eno me pacho Obapa loan what I say Obapa loan scheme ewo Dwabewura bank nya sekweto omo ye fantastic erade and me pacho osade ahotoso pa fixed deposit aba. That's how fixed deposit we there. Ubasa obeye bia je say bia bibi besi o wiase ba ka o deposit no. What I say there be the patch obo bon buy pa that's a good talk where 100% secure, no risk. What I say the patch o per fixed deposit asamba ku credit ho a wo de robo Dwabewura bank wo de onko a wo so pa ho to so pa no wo be ya wo de kama na so tama wo fei wo bo ye potwa bodua wo bo say bia wo was abo we bodua say Dwabe bia account afi sa to susu utu bosu be bia dey aba obosi adem Dwabe de dey tisa wo de here so be bia account no Dwabe be ba obosi na fa duma no na wo de bemu fa bemu what I say Dwabe ye super fantastic that's a good talk me pato just so bonre Dwabe etimetimo just one after Roman Hill magazine and after supporting poem for Mesha any antisemite na on the kwa Dwabewura bank kumenye branches no any any komo 0271 4093 40 0271 40 93 40 eya homa betuma friend Dwabewura bank na fe uno mo edi komoti Dwabe for and aso wetia wo de fistam de empa yeti yakwen sinko di mario
latest me da say yaden nsam no eba on se no na me ka kire wo se aposifo nsa ka baba wa bia omsusu se the boyfriend and abrante na oji polling kwafi ni se me friend Brian no na baba on edi nsa ka na friend Grace ya omsusu se ono na abrante ni di boni wie no odwane kwhye ni dem na so pe baby man hye ya ama jese osan bo anoma di sika kora mani tu kwa kopiem wa Senegal ama abrante tutu ma kopiem ko Cote d'Ivoire no a aposifo ansetime kana no ana communications director de Kumasi Asante Kodoko lawyer Safuduku ama yenchiremu yentie nchiremu a lawyer Safuduku edemaye.
The police has arrested another person in connection with the murder of Nana Poli. She is a lady called Grace Siao, believed to be a girlfriend of the 5th accused person in the second case of 6 accused persons who is at large or who has run away, Brahma. According to the police, the lady concealed the criminal, Brahma, and assisted him to run out of the country. In fact, according to the facts, Brahma was with the lady between 4th and 17th of February. And she also assisted him with money and all other things to enable him run to Senegal through.
Okay, later center no yenchiremu a communications director de Kumasi Asante Kodoko lawyer Safudu kuditu ya nima no pe de won semede mamo na mame mfantu dwa se eno a pole wife ana na brother omunsu bo modern fashion abagopie wo kukuom na nsuo bi da hɔ na ɔmo kɔgyina hɔ na ɔmo se nananom amumrɛm na ɔmo hia nananom mo asa na bɛyɛ a investigations and nsɛnsuo ni ɔwɔ asɛmpa fam so wayɛ a ɔno gyire pa sɛ nhwehwɛ mu na wayɛ na mena hu sɛ pole free no free mu no kopie mu obesi bi ana nipa bi gye ne nkwa free mu no anaso ɔmo gye ne nkwa free ne nsɛm nananom mmram na ne hwehwɛ mu na wayɛ na ɔmfa nkɔda posifoɔ sɛ na bɛyɛ a wɔn di saa adwuma no gye abrante ne nkwa free ne nsɛm no ade sɛ yɛntimi nkyi wɔn nyinaa na afi wɔn ne ho bi nyinaa no ɛsɛ nsuo ne timi boa ne yɛyi saa nkɔfoɔ no mpie na biribi anya fa yɛnti abra pole wife ɛne ne brother kopie mu nsuo no mu a na ade sɛ wɔn de saa asɛm yi ɛda nsuo no
abrante bi ya si yabɔ ne paa si enim deɛ wɔyɛ efe ne waras ɔwɔ multimedia se yɛn nua no yɛba no yɛde hyɛ no ɛkɔ wi base ɛwɔ nsuo atrɛ ana yɛwɔ ne se kan bi gye se boy yesu enim sɛ ensampo onum bi da ana ɔyɛ enti aba kukuo mu agona abusua yaba abeton na hatwafoɔ ɛne ne bosom kɛseɛ ɛne ne kɔnfoɔ ɔwɔ hene champon enti gyina na asuo apaapono animu ɛne nsuo ka nyina nsuo ɔbaatan wɔnkum die lobokum ngɔmpa na ɔmfa ne ho nyim sɛ deɛ waras anim sɛ yɛkum ɛna wi ana pole nom yam baabi a waras wɔ ne information bia no ɔmfa mra yɛgu nsam sɛ waras wɔne na busua wɔne ne ma wɔne na dwumayɛfoɔ nyinaa sɛ waras nimwu bia wɔne ɔhwɛ akyerɛ bia no ɔmfa mra afei so asam na court judge obi ase kumu bia no nanama abosom apaapono akwasua esofiri asotano ensoke ho ya gesere esoke ho hye nyina no ene wonni
latest intia no ɛna ɛda screens no so ahɔ a wo sanso etie de kɔ so no a kukuo ma na kyese ɛyɛ ne bere sampa yɛ de wɔn sam amatiefo ɛwɔ dwumadi no so eguso kuma se asante kɔdɔkɔma memfo nto dwase ne ɛbɔ no nan ɛwɔ manhyia management ato nsa de fresh supporters ne sɛ wɔn na no mmɛhyia wɔn sɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo de nneɛma gu akwam sɛ na bɛyɛ nɛ a ɛnkyɛ na Ghana Premier League na resume no kɔ stadium a obɛkɔ fi asomdwe ma na abra bibia nsinti ɛnɛ no na pɛpɛpɛ na san hyɛmu na ɛba so a management ato nsa de afra kɔdɔkɔ supporters no ana former circle chairman de bakuma sa asante kɔdɔkɔ chairman kwakwampo sɛ chairman K5 ama nkyiremu ne kyɛ sɛ no mo de agu akwam a saa yɛde sɛ meeting ne ɛba so ne Gusu twɛn nsɛm a chairman
remember supporters ni nyinaa ti di nti a enu ɔsɛ yɛ prema organism ɛba yapa already ɔmo yɛ press conference ɛne press for kasai ɛna ɔmo yɛ ti nipa bi a nipakuo bi a ɔmo betumi advise supporters ɛwɔ radio so ɛne afifin ɛti sɛ saa deɛ na ɔmo bɛyɛ yɛ supporters forum Papa kwa weso after supporters na obi abra ho edumre no nai obi abra ho na so betre wa dwene ko ye befa so a saa nyema no e bi nsibie ko be ya se ni pada sani wa kra wo yire no ma so kwohwe bo ne ya wo sekai saa de do se ngai boa ne timi firi wo kra e ti saa de na ye penefo aye ne de me bo ma ba so pa
wei ene nsema chairman kwakwamponza chairman K5 di 2 ene na no pai yɛde wɔn nsɛm ɛde mamna former Blasters and Kumasi Asante Korogo goalkeeper Jojo would nsɛm pii de ato dwa sɛ this time round deɛ Blasters wɔn mu yɛ training baabi wɔn yɛ training bia no ɔbɛbɔ wura hɔ na ɔno nso nim deɛ kakra wɔnya yɛ abra na ɔman ne goal post de ma Ghana no wɔde akɔbɔ titiri wɔ ade sɛ goalkeepers no na ɔmɔde mbɔ no so atima so ɛne abra anytime bi a wɔn bɛnya time na ɔmo nso ada goal de ama the Blasters of Ghana yɛntie nsɛm a George Kigali adetu yanim
yinga ye bon pese nyama be twuma sesa attention no eyi nyina studio awom se nyame na me go keeper coach on that team but wa nyenso ye wa edi bi de be tumi aba ni team na dan support them but nyenye nyina na be tumi aba but most of the guys ye nyoma kasa so me say but this time nyenso ye be try your best say that ye what time e baba ho then you give them some talking bi o metias no be uze no na say team ni bi we chere o so mabo bi pen na before nyama koye e mo mechana nti the my idea near the 2 weeks ma o so ma ready e mo mechana and the media aspect in so no o man capacity things inform
ene nsema Jojo di tu ene no chire misawaki busa na say ene wo he nim say one day ba Blasters goalkeepers coach ana.
Oh, it's step by step. But I want to say, the German union to me, but obi only opportunity other years support no. What idea of a be to my friend. Now sometimes so new be any dream no be to mark too much. But so spring a minute per champ a time in a bar, the chance in we are fine. But every chance will be as a good best coach. I know say it impact where they take the cheap. Because this is Ghana first.
Ene nsema George Kigalio udi tu yanime na no pa de wonsam edemamo na coach Thomas Dua di nkomo pini ebusanze opani ya Blasters hu ha meba na individually your players on modern boss ani pa kudus no mo de party no wo mu kom clubs o mu sia ka de mo ma ya na modern bon wo so nanzo so mu be she Ghana jesi no mu sia kan ya na modern bon wo fompa na wo na bon wo bobi da je se ubo koduru achire pa wasan so awura mintu coaching ama modern moso class ani pa na sadi die nti na timi sizaza okona club side obon ho modern na mom obon national team ya na modern ball form ye nti nchire mu a coach Thomas Dua edemai
on the team dia answer na unti team ni nya juma na ya boye kwache ye individual players na Blasters ye wo to to have to say and the team ni man no bi no abobolo Ejaya na so football power the catch also the club no ma put to add because who's the national team answer the year solid no number under 17 and the under 20 under 20 number 23 over 23 and Amuba Blasters in team no what ever yes okay individual players no William Okwa Spain Kudus Okwa West Ham just a combination things in the end and then the fact because football so say na under 20 be under 17 be that the deal in passes and that penetrating passes me or develop player and I'm going to for 5 seconds.
Yes, I know and some coach Thomas Dua to you and man no pay doing some of the mom the Ebusan Zopani. Oko Blasters are captains once and some issues about by Ubi Kurano, Yabeto, Binamze, a bedi mo time the best in day and do baby at the a banner Blasters captains here. I am not once and someone just say, and find the Fobacas or Morton and Nuna. Yebusa coach Thomas Dua say, Nancy Kurano Bona, Thomas the Pata Kobakakra, Edu baby Bona Kudus, Ababona Sans and some so a day and our Cadia for Yentia Sama, coach Thomas Dua. Added to him.
Such a change a dear nature, said the old but if you are so, would you have Mapaya at the Cornelius? And you're saying, fire. I call on the first of the captain that will be in some crowd. A year, but the dear Damino, Jordan, I say, yeah, dear man, Jordan, they say you are about the certain match. I'm good 10 years, and I'm going to say to him. And yet I watch it today, so to you that. But I think that the degree on any you know because of the ball.
Coach Thomas Dua to you pay. Ya don't want some dema mo jumade na cha samofa NSPR no di to and say Nyankopon ya aduma next week anombe pay accreditation dia to for Ghana and Chad game no and in central for the media houses ni na no bia betima apply fiti next week dey kon yentie nchire mu a openye friends Charles Amofa NSPR ade to yenim
the National Sports Authority they be no media Ghana for their shares and share the sports act and I say Ella you did you know ifi the Parliament of Ghana say you manage facilities your the men who have been trained on the ground to do the work when you work estate you facility management almost our electricians ni laborers ni pitch management officers so many you on the match day when you accounts department or for ticketing and so yeah when safety and security and so your records department on the latest commerce security services for matches of this nature obia when PR accreditation yeah Nyankopon ya aduma next week be accredited
MC ya mu nyi pictures no mama na bibia nkoye mama imboost nie uja so mama imboost se bibia bokọ de ene se de we sia pai biegu na Urati na kopon Urati na kopon se bibia bokọ production group bibia bokọ de ya cha doctor mama what's why heavy pie juma mpona no ante pa so imboost pharmacy le ni imboost e ba besta no diamrika pa anya asem keto akura na any swadi hu be na doctor nya o this edru bible because juma no edru juma we ye no mi ankasa dance die so e ba na hu papa any swadi hu be no nya ya o this edru we bible because anu was no
me da simi ni abe ma sana ne na nyankopo asese ene dan so ode ache na afi so ye nche tiefo nyina sharp herbs ye na imboost herbal mixture Dr. Steven Nyako Sharp ono na ye dia no na eni so ade hu na doctor enya ye nti ode ye imboostable mixture eni se imboostable mixture no eye ebibido ye hama enubra enua hini na doctor no osi nipa apomuden eda na koma so enu nti opese ode apomuden mapa ebre obi biara ewo na aboboa no na ne de no ekwan a ofa so a oye no ne se ne nana na nyamenam no so a ode imboostable mixture no edom no na edi nkan no eye hama enubra enua hini na onoa yeni ana ye ben na de oye ni police adwuma oye ni police adwuma a meka se ode didi wode hwe na yere ne ma na yeni ana ye ben no ebi aka se wo hododo ye mekai ye ma no ye ka ye mensesem obi kura mekai pa na obi si o bibia be hye na ya ase na wano aduro no no ode abrew na wanom den time meka se ne ye wo bo hye ni ginyame efe enti no ono a mekai technician numbi obi simi kotodwe no anom na nim technician bi numbi no so person me masem kosoro not no say na intobro egu ne yema na onim enti wonom aduro no pe na epie abonten nti epie ya no na okọ hospital na doctor say nkanya aduro na wonom ya ka ade ne betimekun because ade ne sie no na hinta no ana okope ense memo bebre no omo me masem kofom a omo enhye de this sexual weakness ne bai
mo so amode so no yeso ya this one no
be was say wo hye de ma sexual weakness ne bai na what solution to that eti no ne solve we abon so me masem no na apeja no ansana no memfa numbers ni ntujwa ebi ana obi hye ye na asem bi chiri na dwen na ebi kwa no mambo ne yare so no wa asem bi se bi efa ne yare ne ho a doctor se wote ho no ene wanko police adwuma no ene eye health enti me pa cho frɛ yare bi atiti wo yare bi a ha wo no frɛ no e wo 0246 20 84 96 ana
0261
388 149 numbers na the side screen so no nti TV no so abetumi afa na wafre ebi so na pharmacy no na apesa oni edi djuma sa numbers kro na wo fry beje wo so na meka bibi mesi emema bebre omoma sem ekofom a omo nhwe the solution na say omo nhwe de causes a edesa mema sem na eba e de tia ni say emema pi na so omo sugar ekosoro etimi ma omo nya sexual weakness oppression na ekosoro bebre so ene so betimi affect o sexually ena afi so say enemu yare bi ti say gonorrhea syphilis ene sa de keka ho ni nyina no etimi ma mema sem no eye weak ena ade ba ko ne say be ma stress ni ho too much okompema obegya mu sesia ena say flames ana say amamai dɔso wo be ma mu so eno so timi ma ne ye weak na ni nyina mu no honam ya so kra timi ma be ma perform ye but say wonum imboostable mixture na de atia ni say ekosolve sa haw na wo ho no say infections bi na woni paduanim say ye flames say ye nemu yare bi na etete wo gonorrhea na aba ebehwe ayi sa ne o mani nyina free ho nsa me nkomo na se no meka bibi se doctor ansa na ode aduro ni bebedwa so no na ono ano amaye no meka se na branch bi enya gonorrhea ama ontumi nante enye imboostable mixture kamenim se gonotimi bubu be ma na oyusu crutch watches.
Wow. Ah,
go etimi na ewiki na ma afe no ntumi nante. Dr. Steven Yako Sharp de enhama enubran ye dia ye imbusti ya no no ade ma na abrante ne sha ase se onu etimi anante na sa yare ni nyina efiri honom. Enu nti se ohaw bi aba na se o mema asem ne kofo ma me patcho mento edra ya woman na memfa bibia aphrodisia wom ema mema asem no anasa obema ne nsore enye titiriti mema bebre omutimi fefe nro na ne bema na ye titiriti ade no so wo se eye onti ade na wo no kwat onti atinka bia na se onti de bia wo e wo se ade na eye flexible e ko smooth na oba no eni gina wo bema no so ani je e betimi ayesa age se wo hwe na de sexual weakness na ban e free ho na afa wo mema asem no aye bokonti imboost de onom a natural strength se bema ena de nyame de ma no na e boost no a side effect bia enyi akire na eno da nchen so a ebo ma moja no e di afurusane yie e bia wuntini ne mu asisi a e betimi ma moja na di afurusane yie ena yen hye ne nso edro imboostable mixture ne dwumati tirupa e di ni se e boost immune system no e cells ene some organs be tissues ena keka bom yesi immune system e bia adwuma e wotire mu e bia adwuma wa adwen mu e bia adwuma wo moja mu entini mu emponompe ye skin ni krampo no cells ni bi eye adwuma wo mu enu nti se wonum imbus na saa nioma na eye adwuma e wo ntiri mu moja mu nompe mu ne honam mu no enu na ekopeja na ho oden ama na tumi aye adwuma ye enu nti se wo tie mi na wo yare bi ni e ka che se empose wani na ha wo na wonum imbus na ebeboa wa etwa se wo ti ase eson se organs na woni paduanim na ebie ni won ma betimi a function ye without the help of the immunity and also the immune system enu it is opese woni padua no enya apomde mapade a e wo se wo hwe se nkwamo ano ana immune system no e wa ahoden enkwamo adro so de eye ba akope eye imboost herbal mixture police ni no edro no enu nkuto ni abibidro ana hahama edra edi kan pie Ghana hase ya yese eye heba na boost immune system eno edamufo a enti wo hedro no ho a your number 1 immune system support oba omensis o say
abafo kopem
enya sam kitua o enso so odi penny de odi penny we de penny de penny imboost ekrasaponis ekratanis phytochemical compounds bebre ebia odwuma edi ewo nipadua wo fa bibi ti saponis a eboa regulate sugar level de ma afi eboa sa wo ye kase mroso ana cholesterol no doctor akacho se ewo soro ana eni soro mpo a ehwe se emroso ense cholesterol ni ehia na emom no eye esesa na ekofo how e de aba afi so bibi ti satanis na ewo imboost mo no eboa wo nipadua no esete barriers me kire se eye bibi ti se osi akwan antibacterial infections sa parasites malaria parasites no be nipadua ni ma ebo na way esesa ni free nipadua na do makogu afiase e de ama wo eno ti imboost de o nyare o etwa se wo no bi esan se ye de boy nipadua no e mani nya apomden ni asa de abo nipadua no na nipadua na ko e de nyarewa so nkonim enye de bia na wasa wonum painkillers enye de bia na wasa wo yare wasa okoto eduro ennom na wonya quick relief e wasa to da immune system na yesa adwuma ne de ma wo enu ti say let your immune system do all for you imboostable mixture numbers no e 0246 84 96 Mrs. Subium 0246 20 8496 and 0261 388 149 0261 388 149 eno imboostable mixture your numbers are Dr. Steven Yako Sharp ejo so afi udru kumasi kodia Methodist asori ne hwe ne mu pe imboost pharmacy wo ho a edi dwuma orthodox medicine heba ne bibia edupapa bia ebi wo ho ye bo no so de eda pharmacy obia de nti frey na eni ndi dwuma imboostable mixture ebi o herbal shop license chemical shop pharmacy bi ebi o mo enne de yeto eno na wasa woton eni nti wa bie pharmacy agi imboost gum imboost de onni bi kra nya 5 bottles a esi ho no ma che se oton ama obia etumi enya bia to yes sorry so de fa numbers ni biem 0246 20 84 96 0246 20 8496 and 0261 388 149 imbustable mixture dear. Eye apomode mapa ena apomode mapa so ye imbustable mixture enam so police ni na ye nti ye ka imbustable mixture oji enso se oposi ni
aya hiro sam
oposi ni do
mama imbustu ye heavy wo Medase, Mama Ibus the Atin can would Naso rough, would Naso to say H. Prince, Sammy Biaboko, you didn't come by a fish on
my many Jumaka Krebi. Unse inter-schools and colleges games nearby so na bibia kuwie kama
okay
na omonfa we ne ntosoma unim say Ashanti region and a central region almost set a time very good and national almost set a time on behia no my say regional clash it is why a clash of titans
now we because way
I because
Cape Coast
Stadium until 24th and 25th
sad we ya e ba because here maximum security.
Yes, very true. Very true.
Marco Cape Coast da. Meaning how radical students from Cape Coast here.
Sir. That's very true.
Now you started Kumasi for Oko.
That's very true. Because why you say Kumasi for no in a way, boys need be hard doing power.
Me say.
Or more hard.
Busa Philip. Say Kumasi for hard, you know. Cape Coast for hard drink 20 times.
Sir.
Sure.
Oh, okay. Then I think
Philip.
Very needed.
Philip.
There are schools around Cape Coast and Takra there, you can't control them.
Oh, okay.
Not even their security.
But I think
but you know what? They have to put proper measures.
Yeah.
There should be measures, stringent measures.
Okay.
Best strict say students, to the extent that say 7 previous students we could nyamo ho nsam bia na mo yi nefi sim no mo be use
yeah that's very true.
That would be the best way as a means of curbing racism in football. So fan be could to trust some say akwa we yi abre or say on term na mo yi nefi.
Yeah,
it is very simple.
And I think that
but what can say control your mo pa I don't think they are controllable. You can't control that.
I know them.
And especially those technical schools.
Yeah.
Hey, right.
You can't.
Oh, say Kumasi here, just like I was saying, Kumasi and Sana, most of the times, technical schools now more. But I believe, sir, Mr. Nanaya Wadum, say Ashanti region there na Basono. He was the one of boy in organization. Onona LA Sports, and I said W Sports Consult, any diano. Into Onona every management be a how inter schools competition course to Ashanti region course no. On the leading person or two na mono course. And I believe say with or no any the support from the others no a bit me aboa. And I know for sure the course if they really want to extend it to this way, I think say they will put proper plans in place and then make sure they get the best out of this competition. And Ashanti region the NL course now my highlight be some of the great athletes are you who are more we are I think we are projecting them around 5 years to come. They need to be the face of Ghana athletic sports with Ashanti region the NL course and Mesabe Chile Enra Central region that guy now 100 meters Nimrika or more added to screens so it tells you the kind of talent these two regions and I believe as time goes on a bit me up the whole of the country because the northern region and Greater Accra Volta region. All these regions, I believe every one of them are great talent. If we keep doing this, try say a proper way to go about it. The face of athletics, in today's the guy I'm talking about, the 100-meter air guy, or shall I say to me winning. So I think it's a very, very good move and more. But yes, Debbie. The porcupine, the young porcupines, I didn't know more. I'm not trying to, I can't say me person peja or money akoto ni patenting ko. But the moment Kotoko decided, say right now, we've decided to build our own academy, our own junior team. No, how development at the junior team
Yeah.
They played another game. They won 7-0. They won the game 7-0. The last time I hear and I'm a baby Everton Savoka, the free kick, direct free kick goal at the trail.
Yeah.
And what follow Kotoko junior team now, frankly speaking, me come and I have started seeing a future for Air Kotoko. Because we all know the younger teams and I say the junior teams in Ghana here, especially the academy teams is what I'm talking about. They are yet the main thing on what sustaining are selling players. Making profit out of the players or more NHL or no. And if Kotoko is able to do it, and right now Kotoko shall see you. But we've seen how team AC the kind of game and not sure game now, frankly speaking, you'll be marveled. About us Kotoko team young porcupines never sabo nana. And every game they play, they keep improving. And I think it's very, very good. If they keep doing this, and check one player will be a tefono. So bet me about a major make I say, and also bet me about be developing about be read the senior side of Air Kotoko team. No, Vitus Abuka Ekaho, and that guy is it Adumako or so, or also so Ekahobi, or we are very, very good. And with the net channel Ekosword, Meniaje, the direction of the club Kotoko, Meniaje, they should keep doing this because you need him and Kaba Ghana saying Kesen the bigger teams no any team profiting in terms of selling players abroad. But Ghana had their and tisa senior teams need means and selling players no mumum no boka kofa players never no ma say job mama could free. You kwa kofa 15 players aba season and they near 15 you kwa kofa 20 and they near 21. That this is what they've been doing and it is not profiting the club, it is not helping the club. And I think with this tenor Kotoko and with how progression is equal or when you believe you me with the next 5 years ahead of us no Kotoko ebet menya proper talent be outside to make profit for the team and also get summer be ready the senior side and abwa amakotoko team no etime 2 and I'm very, very happy with this one. Ya can't send me baby mesaba air kotoko de no because you say air poli issue no and I'm impressing me remu bebre wait air wallace de no unse abusuano the last time I said it here sebe nipa na dehye afri mu de yen ka asema ebe ha adwen manente minim so what a point na making na nipa na dehye afri mu no oye dan a baby ana adwen nam any the feeling na okom no any little thing bia could provoke them into yes de no but it is unfortunate and at this thing see I know say eno na me tie interview ba kwa na asempa from mom my we say one particular person have forgotten the name Obaga Kumasi say I'll making sure so baby champagne for and settle things out into also be share what company for ni bikwa emomudin komo obi emomudin
ono na programs manager
very good into also omudin komo kama try so be settle that rift no into ono ko so say who the statement akoto make e na aye no kakra but this is all how this thing about bonting na me project say be siako you don't expect such a top panelist to make this statement and then the other side no be fat na kwai say oh oma paya chow ye bunu agus no it can never end this way on ways it is so it's just unfortunate me person me remember because when say slippery grounds me person me remember but I think say empenyimfo no mo da no they'll find the right airways to go about it collapse no me we amomfa we into some the top strikers and I said the top Ghanaian attackers in Europe no mon fan to near shadi and che collapse ne baba the birthday na there to there me for the top attackers no patch birthday in the minyan very good top attackers no and or the atos no open ye nyine nim say nche collapse ne baba and these players no more that no ye nyine ehu bi in recent years Blaster say kofo bebre no these are the players I have from where I do my bar enkoyi. But whenever they go to you who the kind of performance or modema. Unse Esile have the last time now we hear stories. Andrew did you about 2 goals. Edema any team. A boamo mutimi e wini or mo game. Antoine Semenyo this particular is 7 goals anyway to me enya. Inaki Williams 5 goals. Abrante friend Jordan are you 4 goals. Andrew are you so far Ashe air 4 goals and then you got Mohamed Kudusa on also Ashe air 3 goals. We are asking ourselves the big question here. Young some fair players we mona ye nimu se omo de omo that clout omo ne wo din no. And I said we should try our possible best. Say you may increase some players be that kind of hunger. Because we know the performance and trust the major demand. Inaki, Andrea, you draw the model amount. But it seems like Omono, in a way, I don't want to belittle anything, but in a way, they are performing at the highest standards our more club side. And if you move with PM or the Blaster side, that we are not seeing that kind of hunger.
Okay.
And the question is, should we depend on them? And now say you try say bring in some new folks, or more bring the hunger into the team. Say be or more we more experience airborne no more so that kind of determination because ye pe bibia ye e de ameye ma ye pe bibia ye de ameye ho ye pese ye mo say be at the next call up you bet me awura mu ni bia na. So this is the big question, but for me I believe that these players no by all means some needs to be in there, but I also believe that there need to be some other inclusions or mono there. They are coming in purposely to add that kind of bite, that hunger no, to the team. As time goes on, no, you better try to dive into it. Now I had the call up, no, you had the probable Ebisiako.
Medasepa, Yenya Prince, and Buantino, no, where we are. Philip,
The person may start say at the national level, let me read a war, that is the inter-schools competitions. This time I won't concentrate on the Ashanti region. I'm new here. I feel me Ashanti region because of my bra Prince, you know. Little by little, I will know the Ashanti region, interzonals, how it is done. But I know I am deeper in the Western region, how things are faring. Now, I'm starting at the national level. Let's just say the video or the picture of Prince Kasahono or the better screen is so I'm the top 5 that is goal contributions by the national team players. Now, there is a serious contradiction to philosophy at the national teams. You see, problem are most of the teams, enya say and say, enya player over Europe now, all bob brebe brain, na say all bob brain to transfer from our national team. And tell sisa. National team no, coaches or handle national team no. Obia what template with which or the born national team. Obia what the template or the born national team. Ube to your country be. Ube also play be but the best of football, but no you call up to the national team because player no ebiana or maybe defensively or a woeful, but attacking wise no or a very good. But coaching philosophy no, if you are playing a young club system, gang press. Now we are number 9 na won't defend there won't to me more.
Okay.
Into play basis Ellen Brutaland on your fit for your game club's team. Make us send you our power. What watch here? One of our best players in Europe this season. Hey, Iñaki Williams. Iñaki Williams, hearing the performance at the Black Stars. Say Iñaki Williams, but Black Stars now. Eddie Bra, no body man the Black Stars of Ghana. Philosophically, or to add on a system now, all bono. Playing a friend Iñaki Williams, no, NTSC. System no, Enfevano. The same can be said of Antoine Semenyo. One of our best players in the Premier League this season. Antoine Semenyo over Black Stars now. The goal and assist ratio and goal contributions no at the same. Philosophy no are contradicted. Ejumana Andoni Raola all year on Antoine Semenyo no. It is not same. Now Papa na friend Otuado no a year with Antoine Semenyo at the Black Stars. Okay. But there are players when they play and Otuado ebefa. When Brazil echoed the 1998 World Cup. Not the best player for Brazil, and your player friend Ronaldo. Okay. When Brazil echoed 98 World Cup. Not the best player for Brazil, not Romario. Romario won Brazil the 1994 World Cup. Into Omoko 98 no. Obia I say on we will be paying. Ono wakoko alko World Cup na kwaji. But when our coach friend Mario Zagallo and naming a lineup for the 1998 World Cup. One or say Romario won't be. The reason is that there is a new king in town in Ronaldo. Okay. And one Romario no bad dressing room. Probably there will be rebellions in the dressing room. Okay. Players be I say sorry it's here even the management of the national team. Into the moment they call Romario, there will be chaos and confusion at the national team. So we won't call Romario. Let's go with Ronaldo. And Brazil went to the World Cup with Ronaldo. In 2002, in Japan and Korea, once again they repeated that same feat under Luis Felipe Scolari. And the last time Brazil won the World Cup, it was Ronaldo who was the top scorer of the World Cup with 8 goals. And sometimes, meanwhile that season before the 2002 World Cup, not the entire season Ronaldo ball. Because when you crucial and serious cruciate ligament injury at Inter Milan against Chievo Verona, but Ronaldo didn't World Cup. By a real World Cup, he was the top scorer of the World Cup.
Okay.
That year, Ronaldo was the best player in the world. Winning the Ballon d'Or and the best FIFA football of the year. Now, the inter-schools competition, one regional, say no mera hopa a Western region.
Are they?
Western region any venue. Western region, omo venues nyinano. Oko he venues are omo you see for these athletics and what have you are. Bra uyembe show. Western region, the problem is that as it stands, Western region are woeful in that is bringing up top talents to that facet of inter-schools. Meanwhile, the new minister for sports, Ore Kofi Adams, one of the ideas of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and say we have to develop sports at a grassroots level. And where is that? What is the grassroots?
Oh.
These inter-schools. There are so many players, they were produced through these inter-schools. But then what are we seeing? And then we are not producing those players, those talents any longer. Because inter-schools, especially in the Western region, are confirmed dwindling effects in the Western regional inter-schools. Western region, they boast of the best of schools in terms of that is sports and athletics. But then we are not seeing same any longer. As it stands, Western region, there a sports complex, Axima, there is a sports complex in Axim. It is up till date not completed. The Axim Sports Complex is not completed. For some years, projects now, do about 95%. Commissioning is a problem because air conditions are what we call, that is Axim Sports Complex. The air conditions are in action. We are field the grass at the fields at the new field, the Axim Sports Complex. I say, why a bazaar? And see, as it stands, like the best venue our Western region, ever you see for the inter-schools and what have you to bring and to be a honing ground and breeding ground to hone these talents, should have been Axim Sports Complex. But as it stands, Axim Sports Complex, but as I white elephants and Uncle Western regional schools like St. John's, over basketball, Ghana, you have no idea. We call Shama Senior High School, Shas, that is a basketball, Mbana from you have no idea. In terms of football, Bompe Senior High School, they are doing very well. But then, besides, say, even at our national under 17, any under 20, these talents, you will be one.
It's a question.
What's in the Western region? Blame what's an paying for them. Why? Once you know what's the Western region, I didn't know where you are region.
Okay.
At the end of one, so I would say one way you are region. 7 previous. Yes, we will craft from. That's why Jam was there and waiting for.
But that's it, pa. You Philip Kobna, El Celebro, and the attendant Kano. Prince.
Yeah, you man. Ghana under 16. Omokobo game and against Malta. Omonfa videos nento so penyi. I say mo Ghana. See a kasi e ben na cha. The talent kutan shade openyi person won shade.
Where the Ghana under 16?
Under 16. Look at the kind of teamwork and the kind of goal a man under 16 for omutimi eboshe. Look at this. Offer about where players or what or bobo on it said there. Oh yeah, Behema.
Okay.
And then right in this game, they won that game by 8 goals to 1. Game near 1-1.
Okay.
But if we no,
but that's
Ghana man, and I'm the kind of quality to outplay Malta Guinness.
Sir,
I think that we need to be doing this thing.
Okay.
Yeah, more.
Omo the Araba Baze koi.
Yeah.
Nti ase watch pa ntama maba no wujom na so po bo adwuma pa. Eno ye fa na Araba Baze. Nti oban bia wotimi nka bia nya bi no no na ase obeche. What just say wo ye wa de wetima ya de ni ye Araba Baze. Ase won chesa. What just oba so libido ekọ from no sa match wutimi mo. It also wutimi nya bi no wetima bo match ni ye. And afei unya hunju capsules na wa wota Johnson tentem untimi control Johnson no hunju capsules nya bi no wo nya bi bo na wo betuma control Johnson ye pa na fei Mr. Kill ni ye memedro bema libido ekofom what I say bema wuntimi mu adwuma wo mpa so eno ye Mr. Kill nya bi no no bo eno ye Kulu Ghana Limited for mu no mu dia bedwa so we aye Chinese herbs omo dia ba anu ohye ege powerful member bi eto no bia no onsabeka bi ene mpanifo ni komo 0244 275 249 0244 275 249 ahoma ubetumi afre Kulu Ghana Limited for that for no eswe to be komo ye yas toothpaste enya seketwa ye wo yas total care ye wo yas whitening toothpaste or Honda for your yas herbal toothpaste would there be now the paste you to choose here was still obey the just a good one yes our brass I would do I dear media so and crowd the emporifor dear and my yes careful a bro who paste will say what you say it be patrol per brush a bit to you fee every rubber beer yes be patrol brass and there be not for fetish say and crowd test will haul there be no fetish will say be patrol cost shopping boss I would do maybe a top provisions I would do it now okwa yes products no sabe kabi na be bia so that ma koye so dia ma ye rade da kopo wo bo heba wo be de ordained herbal bitters no e ma be ma sisi bu ya ten o kire one out say yes wo jira fa ko as wo bo adwuma pass who say for the pumping what I say be ma what I say ordained herbal bitters please now we also akwa jere de nya sekretary kra at say what dey for the pumping me patron ya bi na no wunya bi abema be ma osisi mo ye de pa udum paso a wo ye skillful cha be di pole ana fe prekasa powder no me patron bo da bedwa so na bi no na me ka cho say prekasa powder no ebetuma boama nkomo no woye den yade bia ayo no fe ahye ni padwere wo bia mo se yi ni nyina enso de free ho kama nya sekretary kra wo ho bo se oku ati ni okon yedu abeti akabom eyo ya pa and afi ulcer diabetes stroke hepatitis hypertension nyina no ube robo obo herbal and medical research center koda kwaji wa ya sa adoa to dumanu and abawu ye cha kwan me patrol dru akra official tower kaso abawu ye cha kwan afi me patrol uram enso on kransa odwa kwan so abawu ye cha kwan and oboafo ni kobo ewa ahoma we so 0249 761 508 0249 76 1508 ahoma obetuma afre obo herbal and medical research center na fei wodobo eso etumedi kobo wodi adon fo gbogbo be na fei mumba lines ne so enya juma mumba lines ne so enya se what as na fei yemfa course ne kakra ne bom patro wadarubo me di tu ani se enne amanfo bi tu mo birthday pa bi patro run for buame na fa pictures ne go Facebook no and on TV no so happy birthday to the voice of God Stephen Adom Chejia, the 8th generational prophet, the prophet of God. What I say? The voice of God. Or no, and he the leader and the founder of Philadelphian movement. What I say? Or no, the leader and the founder of Believers Worship Center, Kenya say, Edmund Teacher Kwanta. And then the birthday, me patro sa openi kesiye, nyamini pa kesiye, what I say, oh no, or ye wono, 4th March 1963, and then the birthday. Eti papa, mene me gire, ene me ma so, mame Elizabeth, ye will show happy birthday. The voice of God, nyakupon shao, juma wo bona no den pa. Na mon fa picture ba kono to so mi patro won papa we ono na kantamanto e jana si ye no papa we tam 27 billion e de ma ne nsori ma na wo monyema si ye e wo kantamanto e na ye the birthday wunim de oye awards e de ma ne nsori ma omo bomoden wa asori ni mu car ba ko e over 5 billion or the cars mienu e che TV sawodo ena fridges awodo air conditioners awodo nyina wo se enne ne nsoro mo amobɔ mo modden na me patro mo ya ade a mo nwen se mo gibibi e de afra so no na mo de bakoma mo ye no obo mo ba so e wo ne birthday enti sika wɔde awuram no ɛyɛ over 30 billion ɛna wɔde awuram a wɔde yɛ awards no ɛde ama ne nsoroma wei affordable bi anim ɛno yɛ Stephen Adum Chedja, the voice of God, the 8th generational prophet. One on that thing with the son. Happy birthday, Papa. We are heavy. We are super fantastic. Prince,
yeah, Papa didn't birthday na wie sa no. Minko na minko adabaka heya. Mi ankasa me padi baako. Ono isuka nti unze bibia ni amekɔ baabi na mehwɛ na me ho akyere me ono. Ɛna de mekɔ yes, on ne das ne friend Frederick na akopie mu tachimana edin adodo na dinim no. Jangusman.
Yeah, ba focus
na ha. Yes, enti Frederick your birthday nyankopon sha onye okesepa e na me anso me fada baako Reverend George Asante Coleman o se ene me fa akonya wesi na me nwehye ni fellow Reverend Papa ye friend Apostle Solomon Kwanchi Minka ono ene the head pastor wo Hosanna Revival Chapel International edweso esieni mpon
eno ano
ena papa ye fa akonya wesi we wish you a very happy birthday nyankopon sha onye okesepa
me fa this opportunity so announce say akosuago Abuaje. Akosia Ago Abuaje. First, near for Akosuago Banahene. Or yes, Sports News. Say, we're free Peace FM. Sompa FM. Bass no Afamo. I say, Utu Accra. Akosuago Abuaje. Radio manager. Edoma Sompa 106.5. Accra. Super recruitment in Asa good talk and what thing.
And said the academy is free.
Yeah, focus Nika Krana, zero Monfanto TV the Sunian Quay. Na young queen, where the idea who say Nansano, also no catch us yes, emergency call only. MTN ni one ya Kenya ti we dia mon fanche pa ya be focus ba roll na ya adian emfa na be wo se mi nua ba koso ha nya asem keto ko heavy pa nya asem keto oba be to aso na watimi aboye na watoto niema ma re de sa afen wa ba we heavy okay mpacho wadoro ba ye si what a Prince Buantino enkamani feeling pa and of Philip Ninkumsa was so penima bebre na sa nyeba no so e free na ekonyina ne nsabeka eye bako na facing ko di Mario Motenika Apostle Jeffrey Asare we patrol meeting any the latest intelligence we to my friend the let's talking Sompa full-time sports the Tuesday edition and your DC Siabonga